Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Big up on yourself. Somebody said sat there. Somebody said sat there. Who was sat there? Just pour sat there. Just pour sat there. Just pour sat there. Sat there. Sat there. Sat there. Sat there.
Check your tambourine and praise the Lord. I need some banter time.
Everybody shake the tambourine.
I need some banter time.
Listen it.
Everybody.
Sat there. Sat there. Where is that chumpy? If him come in and go and make him trouble them and thing and whatever, we need to organize a thing there still, you know. We need to send a crew down there, you know. The Ph.D. boy have, you know. Yeah. We give him a proper Ph.D., you know. Not too dramatic and thing, you know. Just too look, you know. Too look at every board in him knee or something like that, you know, fixing business and sitting. You understand what I say? All right? I make him, you know, understand himself. What go on, people? What is going? 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 When you don't know me there, you know. Not surprising, I'm very busy this week and thing, you know. Bag of sitting and come up. All right. I'm cooking monstrous. Raga, today is my sis' birthday. Interesting. And you're telling me this because... right? So, Cookie Monstrous, today is your sister's birthday, right? And you're telling me this because, right? There is a reason. There has to be a reason, right? Else you wouldn't mention it to me. Okay. So I have to big up your sis. I have to big up sis Raga, that Jem said. All right. Big up your sister upon her birthday, Cookie Monstrous. I don't know your sister or anything, but big up your sister, bless up your sister upon her birthday and thing. And that, you know, if you having a sister, increases the likelihood that you're actually human. So we just want to say, you know, big respect to you. And the increased probability that you, Cookie Monstrous, is actually human. So big up yourself, you know, you look a gangster, you. See? So big up Cookie Monstrous sister who born on a better month than Cookie Monstrous, because who knows, Cookie Monstrous might be a Leo, which is just like, you know, she's a Leo, then there's no hope for her, you know. There's no hope for the Leos. There's no hope for the Leos. No hope at all for the Leos. No. No hope for the Leos. All right. Cookie Monstrous is a Scorp. People. Cookie Monstrous is a Scorpio. You know, I'm telling you some things, you know, I want to do. Sometimes when I fight it, I want to believe me, you know. And Master, I got telling you something them, you know. And sometimes when I'm telling you some things, when I go and like, when I want to fight it and I want to believe what Master, I got telling you, you know. Susan Raga, I have not seen you in a shirt I dislike as yet. Big up yourself, thank you. And I hear when I'm telling about the Scorpio, them can't get enough. And them love it. The Scorpio, them start out every day, 3 times a day, 4 times a day with dessert. And Cookie Monstrous is a Scorpio. Cookie Monstrous, bad girl Cookie Monstrous is a Scorpio. One more evidence you know what? When me I tell you, say, I saw the Scorpio them tan. Right? At them say Sato non-stop every day. Then I am telling you, say, me can't manage the Scorpio them. Me know me could manage the Scorpio them when me in my 20s. And all the pa my mind I Sato. As I wake up I Sato, and I still couldn't manage the Scorpio them time there. They're not normal people, trust me. The Scorpio them. Insatiable is too mild a term for them, right? White liver is too mild a characterization for them. Listen to me, I know what I'm talking about, right? The Scorpio them, they can't satisfy. Them cannot satisfy. The Scorpio them have it so bad that even when themselves are masturbate, them still not masturbate enough to please themselves. Because not even themselves can satisfy them. You understand what I say? It's that bad with them. Simone, you say you're buffering. All right, let me ask you something now. Look if anybody else has said me a buffer. Since you put in that chat. All right, Simone, look if anybody else has said me a buffer. People now see the show good? People, in general, when I see the show good pound a device and thing or whatever. Yes. She still a put some, you look there, yes. Simone, look, this is why I'm telling you when you don't do them something there. Look, Simone, look what them has. Them a see it good, crystal clear, beer, yes. So when you come in at the chat now, you say you're buffering. Is your Wi-Fi? Are you sitting? You know nothing to do with over here, so we good over here. You come in at the chat, you're buffering. You glitch and thing. A phone is sitting. Are you sitting, Simone? Watch it, you just glitches and whatever this and that. Then I say, I hear Wi-Fi, I pop down. I pop down Wi-Fi you have good as. Good. Your Wi-Fi pop down, man. You need more, what them call it, bandwidth. You need more bandwidth. Evelyn said that just goes for the lady. Now, yeah, shout. Hey, it's warm to the woman them today. Shanika, yeah, shout. So them in a shout every day. In Shanika, I want me to know today, like I'm getting some cranky vibes out of the chat today. I shout every day. Unless I might not turn up more than. No, it depends on the same thing. I'm a shout every day. In Shanika, you have a problem with me, I shout. Scorpio Queen, Raga no trouble. Shout Panny Mix, man. Shout Panny Mix. But me shout every day. What make you shout, so whatever. Well, if you don't like me shout, just turn down your phone. And don't listen, but me shout over here, Raga shout over here. And that's a big up yourself. This is not a show to listen if you don't like somebody who shout, okay? So I wouldn't advise you to listen if you can't manage a shouting, right? Them have other thing where you can go listen, go over YouTube and get one of them look mellow music, something there, whatever, low speaking thing or whatever. Raga shout and raga laugh, brawling and raga loud and raga vulgar sometime and raga slack and out order and shout and scream and bust out some big dirty Jamaica laugh. Hey! And them something there. Yeah. So if you don't like shouting, this is not the thing for you. Yeah, man. Raga slack and unroll it. Duh. So, and raga shout. Yes, what I'm saying. And then, on top of that, I'm drinking some real good coffee. You know, coffee gets you all kind of a little wired. You know what I'm saying? All right. People, me I gear up from a party this Saturday, like when me did young and I prepare for sort out, you know. You know, back in the day when we did young Craigton and then whatever, and you know, we know say we're gonna get some thing, a room of it clean, floor of it carpet, you know, new sheet and all them something then whatever, place of it smell good. Yeah. You know what I mean? Used to do back in the day too. Me didn't have some nice spray. I used to spray it like on the bed, you know. Like on the bed, foot and thing, you know. So that when she go up on the bed, she get a little whiff of it. Well, that was my theory. That was my theory. Like, when she's going on the bed, she must get a little whiff of the sensuousness of that smell and whatever. And me, like an idiot, them, they have this thing about, you know, marketing is something else, you know. Then they come up with this, you know, monkey see, monkey do. Then they come up with this cologne that they claim, it's just such bullshit, but they claim that they were able to replicate, what was the word? Pheromones, all right? Now, our pheromones are like, it's like our eye print, fingerprint, footprint. They're unique, but it's smell-based, you know. Everybody has a unique smell, just like when you have a unique fingerprint, unique DNA, unique whatever, you know, if you're twin, the DNA is replicated. But everybody have a unique smell, just so you know, right? We even never know that, and that unique smell can be captured. And then we also excrete, it's pheromones, Pheromones, something like that, whatever. So something like that really exists. But they claim they were able to somehow create it in a bottle. And that if you spray it and the woman smell it, it will render them, it will predispose them to be more accommodating to your sexual advances. So nobody could tell me said my thing now working. In my mind, me have the secret weapon, man. Yeah. So I buy it. That's something if I spray pan, but after me spray pan, you want to see me and spray pan all the bed too, you know. Like I sprayed pan the bed, you know, from the top of the bed, it come down to the bed foot. And me I say make it soak in, man. Want it soak in at the bed. And then on the bottom of the bed and whatever. Why I wonder if some of them must think say me I work over when them come in here and I say, oh man, in a smell. Oh, in a smell. Yeah, no, you know, when you're young and fool and you believe the damn madness that when them tell you and with the marketing and you run go this and you run go that and whatever and then come catch you man. You know, so I'm glad that person you call. I'm glad that person you call. Trini, I'm glad you call, you know. I'm glad you call. Right?
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
Go. Well, you never know say you come up.
No, sorry, I'm in the kitchen.
Yeah,
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah, but I never you send up the request.
I did.
Okay, good. But I'm glad you come. So, I don't know if you know some argument did start what day about Guyanese and Jamaican sort out, right? Right? No, there was an argument on the show and thing, and this Jamaican woman come on and she say Guyanese sort out, Guyanese man them sort out turn up more than Jamaican man sort out. Of course, I disagreed and whatever. And then I also made the point that, in my opinion, Jamaican women sort out, even if I go with what she said about the man them, me know say Jamaican woman sort out way better than Guyanese woman sort out. So this did come up. I'll post one of the clip them on me. So I talk to my brethren, see the clip when I post and them they watch on the show and I bring up. Because somebody did say something about Trini woman. And then so me said to it, I think if you may recall, me say me used to rate Trini like next, you know, because Jamaica the best. I mean used to say Trini come second. But based on what the research I reveal now lately and whatever, He look like the Guyanese them a edge out the Trini them, you know. So me just want you know, say, una lose on status, right? Trini a drop off because not only the Guyanese are first of all, Barbados can never lead, you know. Just Barbados, they're the bottom. Like, they're the worst sort out ever. Bajan women sort out is like, yo! Like, Bajan women sort boring. Bajan women, them don't know how to sort out. So that leave them out. Them not in it at all. Bajan, them don't know bottom, right? What I mean, where Rihanna come from? Barbados, Rihanna come from.
Oh.
Barbados, Rihanna come from.
I don't know, but careful.
Which country Rihanna? Yeah, man, Barbados Rihanna come from. Yeah, man. But
Rihanna
yeah.
singer, yes.
Yeah, but me know Rihanna start out turn up. Me just know it. Yeah, you just know it have to turn up, you know, Rihanna. So she's an exception. You remember one big debate did I go on one time, one big war did I go on when Jamaicans are troll Bajans and I say, yeah, Rihanna is really Jamaican. And I don't know if you remember that?
Yes.
You remember that? And they got pissed and mad because Jamaican I said, no, she was really born. And I bring up all these things and say she's Jamaican and whatever, and they pissed off. So Bajan them they're the bottom anyway, except Rihanna. Yeah. Okay. And we hear say the Grenada and them, the Antigua and them, me said them not them, me say them thing up there. And thing, but the word is that the Trinity them a drop off. Yeah. Like, you know, what's going on? We don't know. What going on? We don't know.
If you're talking about a Trini man or Trini woman, I can speak for a Trini woman.
No, we hear so on a thing a drop off and thing and whatever. One time gone on it up there, you know, but nothing not really going phone anymore. The Trinity, I would not hear no look a thing about the Trinity.
Maybe they're just not experiencing a Trini.
No. It just seemed to be the consensus out there that the Trinity them on a drop off, on a start out.
We don't boast. We just
what?
We don't boast.
We not talk about boast. Me I tell you what the people never ask you whether or not on a boast. Me I tell you say thing a punk out right you know.
You see when the fox can't get the grapes, what they say?
What ya? What about fox not get the grip? Are the people them who are get it? Are the people them who are get it? I said that say no.
Maybe they never get it. And then
so what you say? Them a tell lie. Them a tell lie pan the Trini chun chun. Them a tell lie pan the Trini chun chun.
It's not truth.
What?
That is a fallout. No.
What you say? That is not the truth.
No, that is not the truth.
Okay. Do you know? I mean, why you tell me the truth? Because I'm going to ask you something now. Everybody, wanna listen now. Wanna listen what I'm going to ask her now. Wanna listen what I'm going to ask her now, you know. And listen carefully how she going to respond now. Yeah. Wait, the diamond. Raga, have you experienced a Guyanese woman for yourself? Oh, yes. Several. No, but listen what I'm going to ask her now, people. Listen what she going to say, you know, because one thing I can't tell you, she will tell the truth. All right. When you dance, because word is you're a good dancer. Everybody said Trinity and dance, man, and whatever. Okay. But when you dance, don't you dance better as a Jamaican than as a Trini? Watch your name. Talk the truth what God love. Hey, watch out. You get to the spirit. Watch out.
No,
people hearing.
Hey. Fling.
What you say? What?
Once the soca hit, the wave start fling.
Me never ask you if the wave starts fling. Me ask you, don't you dance? When you dance Jamaican, don't you dance better than when you dance Trini? Just talk it truth and done.
It's two different genres, two different.
Me never ask you if it's two different genres. Me ask you if when you dance as a Jamaican, if you're more exceptional than when you dance as a Trini. Yes or no?
I don't know. I don't know. Dancing Jamaican songs, it's more sexy. Yes. Soca is more free up. So we can be the judge of it on that.
But right. All right, I'm going to ask you, chat. Chat. If somebody's asking a Trini woman, if she is more exceptional as a Jamaican dancer or as a Trini dancer where she come from. And she says, I don't know, and what is she really saying? Don't tell me what she really has said. Me not tell her no what. When I ask the chat, me talk to the chat. We talk to the chat. Don't bother chat. Don't bother go on like you want. Don't bother go on like you want. Drip me. Me talk to the chat. What is she really saying? Yes, she has say yes, yes. See the people them say, yes, she's saying yes, yes, she go around the thing, yes, she don't want to admit the truth, yes, Jamaican, better as a Jamaican, yeah, Papa Jesus. You can't go around the thing. You can't go around the thing. The people them know. You try to hide it and fight it and thing, and the people them know. But that's true. We understand though. You know, want to come over disloyal to your country of birth and things. So we understand that and thing. But that's how the thing set and whatever.
You know, Raga,
Huh?
may I give away plane ticket?
No, I'm not give a plane ticket.
Seriously?
Yeah, you can't get ticket going, but you buy your ticket already for Raga Bash. So what you ask, you know?
No, I'm looking for the plane ticket.
All right, I'm gonna put you on the hot seat, doing.
It's all right. So
what's so me not put your business out there and thing or whatever. No. But you're a big woman and I mean I tell you from now, because me think me know the answer. You're not going to answer this either. So me I tell you from now, you're afraid for answer it. And you're probably going to laugh. You're going to kind of chuckle. Me I tell you from now. Okay? I happen to know that you have had the benefit of being exposed to the masculine intimacy of, Trinidad and Jamaica. Which is better? What? Jesus, me a prophet. Watch it. You know, you me tell you say you go chuckle. You never hear me tell you say you go chuckle. Now watch it. You just a chuckle out, Ross. Watch it. Here you be a chuckling. Jesus. Hey, my mother tell me say me have the gift, you know. My mother tell, watch it. Here you. I know you a chuckle. Yeah, I read you. That me I tell you me how to read a man. Don't go around the thing. And then you me tell you, me say you nah go answer, you go chuckle. And you see it exactly what me say you go do. You do. You understand? Me say you nah go answer, you go chuckle. I know you not answer.
Right. Well, no, I wouldn't answer. Sorry.
You're not. Yeah. Oh, you're not. No, don't answer your Trini. Don't answer. Rather put you in a no-win situation a while ago here. Don't answer. Go get yourself in a prick here. You know what? My line with that is, my response to that is pending. Yeah, it's pending. You say, so that one day one long division, and the long division will take long for work. So never go work. When you go to school and teacher say, don't just give me the answer, show me how you work it out. Yeah, right. Hey, no, you see my younger son, KJ, him have a problem with that, I see him did see in a school, He will know the answer for the thing then, but ask him how him know, him don't know how him get to know the answer. But him know the answer, so him get frustrated because the teacher then keep on say, yeah, for sure we. The working out and thing. But him know the answer. I was like that, I sometimes I can't even explain it. Me just see the thing and know the answer, And but him can't really show the work, So I'm in this phase now where I'm saying that sometimes process is important, son. Process, daddy? What is process? I work with the general and thing, you see, and things. So, listen.
What's going on for Friday night?
Friday. Don't do that. Don't do that. Me tell you something. All right, me tell you something. All right. No, you just jump right in and look up pot of hot water there, so you would even like no. All right, so me tell you, you know,
I'm
but
missing
you,
out then. Yeah, I'm
eh?
missing out. I'm
Huh?
missing out. I've been
Yeah,
missing out
you
last
just
couple of years.
you just jump in and look a pricky right there. So leave that alone for now. But what I want you know is why ladies wanna make dressing so complicated. You know, say a whole heap of woman who are go ragabash a be stress out upon them right now.
Stress, Raga, stress. Every time you have one dress in mind, and it's okay. I have to have a backup dress, and maybe the strapping fit right, or the bra fit right, or some line printing out, and then the shoes, were they comfortable or too strappy or too high? It's stress.
A
It's
bag of
stress.
something down.
Yes. And then if the hairstyle not fit that particular dress with a bling bling or a long dress or short dress, yeah.
But why would I have to stress out on yourself so much all the time? Why would I do this every time? I am convinced that is part of enjoying the process of the event, you know? It's almost like the party start already. And this angst and this agonizing and this meticulousness and this whole process of no, me did I go with that just but me have to send back that one, I'm gonna like this and it did for deliver then and by me it not gonna come in time. So I call my friend for send it this so and what me just convinced that a part of phone way for enjoy the thing because you guys are not like us. We see what we want, we buy what we want, you send it to me and we're good.
Yeah, it is a process.
Well,
Yes.
no, but the point I'm making is I feel like say if the process simple, you don't even trust it.
Right?
I feel like say if you see like, you know, some like that dress there and thing and whatever, and then at some point you're like, oh shit, hold on. How come I just like that dress here and I go wear that dress here? I got no something not right. No, something not right. Something not right. This was too easy. I just see an outfit and just know say if me I go wear and that's it and it done. No, something not right. I need to complicate the process more. I need to mix it up more, make it complex. I need to bada the process because that is what I'm supposed to do. You understand? I'm convinced that I go and we don't know. Anything.
It's a woman thing.
Yeah. Oh no shit. Seriously? Like for real? Duh. Yeah. You see, the lover girl say, I will change the outfit when I'm ready to leave. Yup, I see that happen all the way. When I decide upon one and upon the day when I put it on and I'm like, no. And I run and I scramble back in a something and I change up something on. It's a sickness, man, and I realize when I need help.
I know it's funny, Raga, when I do laundry, I would iron all my clothes, hang it up and fold it up and put it away. Because I cannot iron before I'm ready to wear it. Because I'd be ironing all evening or all day.
Oh,
I have to make
that
sure
is
everything
interesting.
is ready for choice and option whenever I have to.
Oh, okay. You know, one go end up if you iron 6 different outfits where you keep on a take. I've never heard that before. That is interesting.
Yep, iron everything before I put it away.
Let me tell you something. I really, really hate folding clothes.
Ah,
Yes, I think folding clothes is one of the most cruel tasks that a human being has. Like folding clothes is just really awful. I am one of those people. Now, I like to take my clothes to the laundromat and make them wash it and thing because when them do it, they fold it neat.
right.
In fact, the place where I carry it now, it name wash and fold. Them a put it in there, right? Yeah, because them fold it neat. You know why? When me wash it at my home, and the whole of the clothes them I put it on the bed, we wash, you know, and dry, and them dip on the bed. And me nah lie, you know, say it is not unusual for the wash clothes them stay up on the bed like 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, and thing. And all they needed to do was to be folded, you know. And then when at night time when I go sleep, I just push them over. Me just push them up on the other side and thing and whatever. You understand? Yeah, I might woman them that, when the clothes wash, my wash clothes, I might, them say one blanket, my wash clothes over there, them there. You understand? I hate folding clothes, man. It's the worst.
That's an OCD of mine. Like folding the towels a certain particular way, folding t-shirts. The way how they fold them at the stores.
The what? You have to do our what?
I say I'm very particular.
Yeah.
On folding clothes.
Yeah.
So folding the towels or folding t-shirts in a certain direction. Like I'm very particular about that.
Yeah, I can imagine. You look like you have a look at anal retentive side. Super neat anal retentive side to you. But I haven't seen you dance in years, When was the last time I see you dance?
Maybe last Reggae Bash, last 2 years.
Yes. And but the time before that was when?
Maybe the blue and white wasn't that the last one?
No. The time before that would have been probably Bobby's party, teas, something like that.
No, that was a long time. No, just when Anita was there at her last party.
Oh, you were at the boat ride? You were at the boat ride?
No.
You were not. The boat ride, remember that? You never had on a boat ride.
No.
Hold on. Should I do a boat ride next year? Like a TamFam boat ride?
From Canada?
No. No, New York. New York. No. If you call it, it happen next year summer. If you say, yeah, TamFam boat ride next year, something like that.
In Canada, yes.
No, we're not going to get enough people there.
Why? We want a TamFam link up here.
No, man, New York. Me do something at Toronto. Get together. But when it comes to, you can't beat New York for diaspora, people, you know what I'm saying? The concentration of people, But here's my question and thing and whatever. Since the Trinidad thing drop off and thing, you dancing drop off too?
No.
Yo, I see that?
No.
No, what you mean no? A raga you talk to me. Just hear the man voice. Don't go around it. No, a bossy.
Raga.
Eh?
Say hello to Raga.
Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Hello, Raga.
Hello. What's up? What's your name, eh? Quincy. Nice to meet you, Quincy. How are you? Good. Quincy, come on. You sound subdued. Your voice sounds suppressed. And have you been having a bad day, Quincy? No? It's been a good day?
Yeah.
Quincy, quick question. Is that woman beside you, Rachel, is she a good woman?
Yeah.
Is she cute?
Huh?
Is she cute?
Sure.
She's cute?
Sure.
All right. Quincy, I'm going to ask you a favor and don't get upset about it. I just want you to turn around and just tell her to slap you on the butt and tell me how it feel like. Go on, do it.
What?
No, just turn around, Quincy, and have Rachel slap you on the butt and then you tell me what it felt like. If it was a good slap, go on, do it.
You bring a bell for me.
No, use your hand. Turn around, Quincy, and let her slap you on your ass.
Okay, I'm gone.
Him gone, Quincy.
My son.
Was that your son?
Yes, that's the baby.
Oh, okay, the baby. Okay, I thought it was. Wait, are your youngest son that voice sounds so? Jesus God, they know so much bass reaching in voice already.
Right? And the chest square up.
Lord G, another young one that.
Yes.
Papa Jesus. Your Quincy voice full of bass and all them. So my Quincy's like, I'm out of here, man. I'm out of here and things. So what may I say? You dancing drop off?
No.
Okay. No, we're going no. Saturday we are going no. I'll be giving away wait, is Quincy there?
No.
Quincy not. I'm not hear me. Okay. I'll be giving away rose, You think you would want to win one of those?
Yes.
What you gonna do with it?
Add it to the collection.
What? You have a collection? Jesus. Ah, Jesus. But anyway, I am excited. People, she's flying all the way from Canada coming down for the party, as she has always done for Ragashanti. Them type of loyalty, you listen to me, man, you have them type of loyalty and support, you have to just give thanks and thing, you know, so, big up yourself, you know, and on a one-off thing, years upon years upon years. Hey, you know, see, when you did have your birthday party, you say, Raga, you can't come and what, you know, see, I'm make sure somebody there.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, and people I said, I said, no, this a woman, she fly, come, the car, hotel, plane, this and that, I don't miss nothing. So you see, when she say, I am there for years, you know, so I want to give thanks and thing, you know, big up yourself and whatever, and, you know, just want you know that I'm grateful. And just to show my appreciation and thing, I'm already putting a little care package together for you. You know, 6 carbolic soap. I can't tell you what it is, 6 carbolic soap. So I know you'd appreciate that and thing and whatever. And I'll send it up to you and whatever, because the carbolic soap, them work better than the Canada soap, them we want to have up them. And it can just cut the dirt off of your body and clean you way better than any Trini soap or any you know, Canadian soap and thing and what. But this is what friends do for friends.
Appreciate it.
That's what friends are for. In good times and bad times, I'll be by your side forevermore. Worse when you can't beard your body. Maybe I look for something for rhyme for sure. Trini in the building. All right. Looking forward to seeing you this weekend. Good as big up yourself here.
Thank you very much.
All right, man. Blessings and thing. Cool. People, a Ragashanti birthday party this Saturday. Amazura Queens is the place to be. I want to say big up my linky. Oh, big up my linky them who. I have some linky them are coming from tomorrow, from Canada, from Florida. Right? From Florida, them are coming and thing tomorrow. Right? Some licious. Oh, go down. Hello. Christian, I say if somebody can sub me. Christian, you know, see, you know, you will tell you what going on with the sub already. It's a new system now, so who are sub, who are still sub. But our new thing in now, but you have to sub yourself. All right? 7. So anybody who wanna subscribe yet, we're gonna do a little short sub live. We're gonna segue from today's show into a short sub live today. All right, so not telling the firm no, but doing it prepared the way it named it yet. So we're gonna go in blindfold, but that's cool. When we in at the sub live, we're just call in with, you know, sex mix up them, right? And a mix up where involve something for anything crazy and whatever, you know? Right? And then whatever I play, they won't be vetted before as usual. So it should be fun, you know? Sometimes, you know, look at do that, you know, unpredictable, unexpectedness or whatever. With a party mix up, do I have to resubscribe? I'm gonna be honest with you. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can't subscribe now. People who are subscribers, you're still there. I'm gonna say something to you and it's not gonna make sense, but just bear with me. TikTok unfold them new system. It's called a super fan. That's replacing the subscriber. Worry not thyself. If you're a subscriber, from what I'm seeing, you're still a subscriber right now, okay? But if you look at your phone, you will see this thing as a super fan, so and so join, super fan, so and so join, super fan, so and so. So you're still in there. And by law, some people pay for them things for a year. You know, them can't take with that from you or whatever. You know, so when the thing's still in there. However, on my side, them zero it, them sure, like if me go in there and look, like right now, me have 3 subscribers, but me really have 600 and odd. But it has show me 3. But the 600 and odd in there, you know, me not see them. You understand what I'm saying? So all I want to who a subscriber, on still in there. And it a call on a super fan. It's just that, I guess at some point, them are going to make me able to soon. Right? But what I do right now is the new subscribers, it just a show me those. So anyone since September 15th, me I see those. But all I want to know a subscriber, don't worry. And I like say when you lose on a subscription or anything, when you're still in it. Right? So but if you extend on a subscription, for example, or something like that, me don't know how it will show and thing like that. So I'm still in there, you know. It just a TikTok now make me say, uno in there. Uno understand it? What me I say? Uno understand it, me I say. All right. So with a party mix-up or any other mix-up, wanna have party mix-up or any other mix-up, wanna call in with the mix-up them. I mean, I tell you from now, if me not see nobody a call in or whatever, I could just go over and I sub live, yeah, man. Can me no mind. Oh, well on. You know what I say? Jimmy have the sticker them, you know. Jimmy have the sticker them, but keep on, I forget. Tell him say put him back the way it name the sticker them. You see what I say? Right? Alright, well on there. Me see if me get him nastiness, you know. Come on look at traitor, you know. That boy just a support the ANC them, you know. Be careful, don't say your business. They might hear you upon the show, yeah?
Yeah, we are dealing.
Alright. Yes, you know, say TikTok start up a new thing about Superfan from September 15th, right?
Yeah, me see it, but I'm not really looking at it yet.
Yeah.
How I go on?
No, so them take out all like something them where you put in. So I just want you put them in back. People them there ask them. So I tell them me call it.
But you know I go on, them still in there, you know, because I see him complaint me I get to, but me check mine, they're still there, but them just don't show up when you go from the user end. So man, no, me I try to figure out how I go on this. So.
And that me I tell them say when me check it,
It's still there.
the whole of them in there, you know, all of my subscriber them in there, you know, but when me go in there, it I say 3 subscriber, not just because since September 15, them 3 they come in, but they're in there. And even when them come in at the chat, it say a super fan.
Yeah.
See the super fan Munchie joined, you know. So the subscribe, but me not see them in there.
Out the thing, so it not finish streamline it.
Oh.
That's what I think, because when I go to re-add the emotes, they're all still there, even on mine, and people still tell me like they not see it or whatever, but they're all still there.
But them in there.
Yeah, them in there. So I have to give it a few more days, because I literally want to change it to 15 and today.
Yeah, Monday gone them change it and things and whatever.
I have to give it till the start of the next week. If
Yeah.
not changing, we have to reach out to them. And also them launch this new thing now, TikTok desktop for Mac.
Yeah,
So
me see it.
We start use it and do the reports to them or whatever.
Yeah,
So,
I'm in the beta program
them
with
other
that.
things
Yes.
mad.
Yeah.
So maybe I use it now and I do some little reports to them, but I think them still have streamlined the whole.
Yeah. Kaylee, I said them renew Fear one yesterday.
Them remove.
They renewed
Yeah.
hers yesterday.
Nah, it still works, but just the emotes not
Nah,
for
sure.
some people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So give it some time, people. If you might hear me, give
Right.
it some time.
No, they might hear you.
Yeah.
And then one other thing too, and Jimmy, from me know you use an upwardly mobile person, you know, you never short of ambition yet, you always have work to move up yourself and things like that and whatever. I'm always why you laughing?
Nah, man, it's an agreement chuckle, not a hilarious chuckle.
Okay. So I always like that with you. You always you know, I move up, you know. And
Thanks, man.
I always make, so me I look a bit upset and think so you're going on the ANC side or whatever because
You know you fabricate that story, but
no, you're over there, you make mix for them, you make clash tune for them, you make bunny, you make bantaning tune, you make bantaning mix for them done the SAC, that's fine and thing. But when me I say, Jimmy, as bad as things is, whatever, me hear, how you hang out with Christina and Munchie and thing, and them send if you clean off them toilet seat. Seriously, Jimmy, and you go do it? Where you laugh for?
You know nothing to do,
What you mean, me not have nothing for do? What you laugh for? Where you laugh for, Jimmy?
Yo, you see the rags.
No, me hear it stink a road, man. Munchie and CBS piece up the toilet seat and them send if you clean, and you go clean it, Jimmy.
So why them do that?
No, Jimmy, as bad as things is, Jimmy, man. And a sour raise you, man. And a sour raise you, bud. You know, when woman a try clown you, them send if you go clean up them piece of fight, Jimmy, you should have hold your harder, man. Why you go, you move like you're tough, you know. You move like tough and squeaky, you know, Jimmy. You go low, you know.
John, you really get man, them connect two straight just so?
No, man, you can't move like tough and squeaky, man. Woman a said if you clean up piece of them toilet seat, Jimmy, you tell them, say, hey, what you do? What you do? How you come and tell them something that you for do, man? Me can't believe you make CBS and Munchie clown you. I mean, no, so them PP rank, you know.
Oh, you know?
Eh?
Oh,
What?
Oh, you know say rank.
Yeah, because one time them use, my restroom and thing, and me I tell you, say, all of the insect them in the area splurt and left. You see what I say? Yeah.
Mixup, man.
Yeah, when the insect them, when the beetles them and the them smell. Yeah, them just Lego. We did have a mosquito problem and that was it. If you have a mosquito problem, just make Munchie and CBS come cut a piece round anywhere near your house. All mosquito and fly Lego the place. And that me I tell you here. And them say repel them. You understand what I say? But Jimmy, man, big and serious and a sober raise your dog. You don't clean off the woman toilet seat them you there. You see what I say? Cut out that something there. What? What a me pen mineral bath no. I want to wash off no. All right, my brother, that's a word here, sir.
Yeah, me can't even join. Bless up everybody. I read, you know?
All right, Papa, that's a word, man. Respect, cool. All right. John, I can't believe that the brethren go do that, you know? Okay. All right. My big son did call me, you know? I'm going to try to reach him. So when the show done, him going to go in bed. Avlo say it shows the viewers how much super fans you have. How much it a show? 3? Eh? Oh, you guys are seeing how many super fans I have. How many is it? Because it's just 3. Oh, it's a 589. Oh, so uno I see the number. All right, you see how that's a 589. When me going out, that's a 3 me have. But it's really 589. So them in there, you know, but I guess that's Jimmy say it's a handful, so. Because when you're in there, because as you come in, it's a super fan, so and so. Like when Antarsha came in, see the Kalia, it's a super fan, Kalia came in. When Antarsha came in, just super fan Yardman joined. See, just say it then. When Antarsha came in, what's it? I see somebody say, I saw 3 plus 15. 3 plus 15, what's that? No, man, because it in there. When Antarsha came in, it said, Superfan Pop Dung ANC Antarsha joined. So it identifies you when you join, and it's identifying you accurately. You know, when Antarsha came in, it's Marsha say, hey Raga, are you ready for your party? It's gonna be a movie. And me fi tell you, don't it, my friend. Big up yourself. Kalia, it's 312 Raga. No. You're looking on. No, you see it's a confusing. You see what Angie Mealy posts, Kalia? Look at that. Fans are different from super fans. TikTok is just so confusing, right? No. Angie, top fans did that when subscribers was there, okay? Follow me now. Top fans did that when subscriber was there. It was two different things. They're putting them together now. It just not gone together yet. So what you're seeing, you're confusing top fans with super fans. Nah, TikTok, we don't need to forget on the things straight. See people them can. You see what Jamaican teddy bear post 589 out of 1,000. That are the correct one. All right. So yeah, you give them little time for iron out them thing. Yeah, I give them little time. You talk about a platform with 150 million users and last count. So they have to actually program this to make it come over and do what they want to do and things, see? But they're in there. So like I was saying, when Antarsha came in, it said, Superfan, Pop Dung, ANC, Antarsha joined. That's what it said, okay? So not only is it there, it recognized the people and it accurately characterized who them are, you know? So it know who Pop Dung and who no Pop Dung and all them things. So it's clearly working, all right? All right. All right. People,
No.
crass foolishness I come now, okay?
First of all, Mr. Ragashanti, let me tell you.
Hold on. Hold on. Check your tone. The tone where you start with. It not sound like manazable. It not sound manazable at all. Hold on. The tone where you start with. The tone where you start with no sound manazable.
I don't want to go to big box. They're going to see my big ass forehead.
What? Nah, man, we're not talking about you for a good forehead is good. Look what you do for Rihanna.
That's true.
Hi. What's up?
Hi. Oh, God.
Well, I know you're on the work, you know, and thing and whatever and thing. No, man, you still look cute. You still can pass.
What kind of work, my depon?
You still can, eh?
Hey,
Yeah.
sis.
Man, well.
Raga, hold on. I have somebody to cuss you out. Give me a second, okay?
Cuss out too.
Yo.
Nobody can cuss me out, you know.
Hey, sis. Del, what's up?
What? You know, no shame on to catch her with one little second hand boot.
No.
I write a ELR up, don't. On the catch her with second hand boot. Come on, talk fast. Who want come say something?
I don't like to be rushed, Raga.
Hear ya. All right. Wait, so it's who coming? It's who coming on the phone?
My sister she's going to talk on the phone.
She go talk on the phone. You know, she go come on the phone. Because that is in vogue lately, you know, people coming on the phone, you know, and that around the place out, you know.
That is a good thing, though.
Yeah, it's a good thing, yeah. Whatever, you know.
It's a good thing, yeah.
What you do go in a bathroom? She in a bathroom, you go?
I can go in there for her if you want me to.
No, we're not going in there. What's she there? Hurry up.
Tell her about the biting about story. The camera on.
No, we don't want no camera.
She don't want the camera on.
She don't want the camera. All right, well on.
No, the camera on. Come here, get myself together for the party.
Okay. No, well, so me need to hear the mix up, man. Give me the mix up.
But the boy bite me in my back of the dance.
No, give me that one then. No, me need to hear it. Oh, that one bite in your back.
In my back.
For what?
The dance me and the boy a dance.
No, but I'm come for bite in your back.
He didn't like me, but he not say it. But me didn't know saying like me.
Right.
So I'm a little friend, you know, so we did a dance and in come there and we did our dance good.
Yeah.
One night time he move, so he didn't come back.
Yeah.
So we did that and so I just feel I'm biting on my back. So me
No.
turn around and I look at him. And he was like, stop. You're whining too hard.
Wait. Him say stop your wine too hard.
Yes, when I turn around and him bite me, I turn around and he was like, stop. So like me, I said, what you bite me for? But me not say
Yo.
for like me look when me give him.
Yeah. No, but that no, but you, no, but me not understand that thing. You see, your sister big you up and thing and I put up all kind of name brand gift up and all these things. When me I said was
Right,
me not understand that. Well, you know what? Oh, well, on there's something, yeah. Okay. No. So he might get some good strong wine and he couldn't manage it and just bite in your cloth, no.
Yes,
No, that just no, something about that, me no know. Something about that no sound.
I
Me no
guess
know.
when the party done, me now go home with him. So him like, hey, me now want you to wind up on me too much. I tell no come here, you now go home.
No, but a bite though. A bite.
Yeah, cause him there behind
Good
me.
things deserve bites.
Him
Wait.
behind me bite me for me stop.
Right, but where the cross is one to say a while ago.
Good things deserve to get bite, Raga.
You know, so I'm going to leave that one there alone though, because I don't know what you mean. I'm confused. I don't understand that statement there at all, you know? I don't know what go on there. So.
Raga, me
No, but
good and the man knows about good, so him start bite. What? No, let me stop, you know.
No. What I'm saying is, what stop him from push you off or drape you or girt you or say what you do like that bite something them.
Must it easier to bite me? Because my back turned towards him.
Raga, maybe the man related to Squeaky. Love using mouth.
Oh! No, you know, say two Squeaky in a day, you bust them liberty upon Squeaky. You know, say two Squeaky in a day, you bust them liberty upon Squeaky, you know, because you don't know Squeaky the day you're a quake in your boots when the real gangster there, yeah? Yeah, you're going like it up, you know, and put some respect on Squeaky name, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So here, me I hear a beer stress out there with why you complicate things. I would. Alright, me gonna ask it to you now. On the outfit settled for Saturday? Huh?
Sure.
Munchie, you? Munchie, what you say?
Munchie he got options.
Where's the Munchie? I wait for another dress. And another dress done. Lord Jesus, me don't know why on woman complicate things, so you know. Eh?
I know
But
we
your
complicate things and them not make it easier for me.
You hear that? Yeah, it's like spoken like a true 2025 woman and thing, you know, throw the blame somewhere else. Yeah. And a phone fault and thing and whatever. But you when I say, you see them hairstyle I wanna do, make sure someone do it because I'm telling her from now. I take on. But here when I say, I just telling her from now. Any woman hug me, I smell on her head.
Gotcha. Everybody are clean. Clean.
Any woman hug me, I go smell on her head. Okay, me I smell on her head. So, and okay.
So we not argue. So we not frightened for you, so we not come argue. So we be good.
Remember, say, both of us cabanas are beside each other, you know? Right? SDC. No, SDC and NC cabana, they're beside each other, you know. I just want to know that, you know.
Fine.
All right? Okay. So, I
just
want to know. No, I rubber pound and thing. No, feel free for tea foot and come over our side here. Just do what you used to do
no,
on
no,
the
no, no.
do what you used to do on the
Never.
younger. I want to thief out on the house and go look for a little boyfriend and thing. On the can thief out and come over our cabana, yeah? Well, you know,
We
if a
not
cabana,
thief out. But
guess,
Raga,
yeah?
you know what kind of problem me have? Ticket problem.
What you mean?
Look, for every time I call me beg one ticket. I you know give me ticket, all right, I know me a listen. Me hear say cook and buy the ticket them for me get one of the ticket to come in.
No, you know, say, yeah, wicked, you know, you gotta make cook, you better cook a calling with a mix-up and done you. How you done the man, so?
Me Raga done me from the last time. Me not tell us me want one ticket that we cook or buy. So you know look at me, I go come at the party because me not got ticket.
No, but you're not
Can't
going
get
like,
a free come in.
no, but you're not going like, say, cook and not go buy the ticket them when him say him a go buy. Is that you say?
Me not say so Raga, but me sure the last time me hear Cooker say I got Jamaica, me hope everything alright with him father. Cooker say
Yeah.
him go left the money and him go come back tomorrow. So maybe tomorrow, but like how everything I come together for me mother want to know say me have the ticket.
All right. No, but today I went Wednesday, you know, so cooker money might come in. Cooker money might come in tomorrow or Friday.
All right, Raga.
Yeah.
Hear what me I say. Like how we say we are going to Friday and we're on the scene right here now for Friday. The party I Saturday, so I don't want to have me. You get me?
No.
So I not wait till the appointed time. We not like that.
All right. And then the other thing too is that you know, Squeaky share something with me, some might me can't share because it's private. But some might me can't share. No, well, no, but me not share part of it, you know, who him a come with that is not my business, private business. But there's a part where me can share though, and the part where me I go share is this. So Squeaky been and say, lock my ticket, my link me, make sure my ticket lock, so him link me and so lock.
Yes.
So call him, say, Raga, call my back man, cause I need to make sure so I call him back. And I say, yo, I just want to make sure so my ticket lock and things. So I say, Squeaky, a business, you know, so I don't really lock ticket unless it pay for. Everybody who pay for them ticket lock, so. Him say, no man, just lock my ticket, and him tell me, say, a 2 ticket him want lock and him there.
Yes, and him want to move up to Ultra VIP.
No, Ultra VIP, him say 2 because of him. And so Squeaky, so I say, Squeaky, me not really do that still, you know, so you have to go figure out your thing. When you pay for the ticket, so Squeaky say, the reason why him can't pay for it yet is him submit a big check to Bank of America. As Squeaky said, Raga, you know how it go with them big check there. Them take a while for clear. So, me not see it a clear until about Saturday.
Me not believe you.
Hold on, man. I swear upon my mother name that Squeaky said to me. When Squeaky said that to me, I in turn, me calmly said to Squeaky, me know what going on. So me say, Squeaky, okay, but if the check not clear Friday, so you can see it Saturday. If a Saturday you think it'll go clear, then probably it not go clear, you know, Squeaky, because usually them not do nothing upon the weekend, you know. But if it clear Friday, you will see it Saturday, you know. But if you think it'll go clear Saturday, so I say, you might not have the money then for come. You know, say, I fuck with him. So I say, Squeaky, you might not have the money for come, you know. So how it gonna go with the person who you bring and things. So then Squeaky said, now worry yourself, man, Raga. Now worry yourself, man. Me will hustle the money and send it to you. So it moved from big check a clear
to hustling.
To me will hustle the money and things. So I'm just saying this to say that Squeaky probably don't even make it either at the party, you know.
No, Squeaky can't disappoint the lady.
Oh, well I know. Yeah. I said this, we said that Squeaky probably won't even make it at the party either, you know.
No, sir. Squeaky can't come out and not make it to the party. And yeah, as I said so. Hey, tell the people if they stop the foolishness and come a party, you're coming and I foolishness with them.
All right then. Okay.
You better not look no excuse now. Go be on yourself and come clean.
All
And
right.
tap it.
No don't do,
Yeah.
no don't do like Raga and wash no foot in a no bad pan.
You know, so I'm not gonna respond to that, right?
Make sure no use cooking oil and rub on nobody, yeah?
No, it's sticky, so squeaky me don't even make it and thing, but we're gonna see what I go on, you know.
Remember, said the lady I can celebrate all squeaky for disappoint. Cause me I wonder if last year we cooker one disappointed, cause cooker did me hear cooker say him have a date for the party, so I want to know how that I go.
Well, all of that too, you know. I remember as a cook.
You
Well,
concerned about everybody.
may I leave that alone. May I leave that alone. Anyway, squeaky I got there, man. No worry yourself. Squeaky I got there. By the hook of the crew.
I did the ANC, I did the Raga, I did the whole crew, I did there.
All right, let me tell you another thing with squeaky say, I swear.
Yes.
Right?
I love that squeaky business.
Nah, man, another thing with squeaky say is, so Raga, you know, say, any of me not in the chat not turn up. So, you know, it's squeaky, so I say, okay, hear him now, no. Yo, I me, Chumpy and Tav turn up a chat, and then when I did the chat flap, you know, me, Chumpy and Tav, you know, she say, we are turn up a chat, Raga. So I say, yeah, man. So, yeah, so him bring that over now and say, that's why, you know, and me and Chumpy are nice up a party. Right? And then me and Chumpy at that party, whatever this and that, so squeaky. Yeah,
Okay.
party can squeaky no dead nothing na go on, man. Yeah, squeaky a jug, you know. Right?
Pigment of squeaky imagination.
Yeah. Ever align himself with Chumpy, you know. Yeah, like the way Squeaky talk about Chumpy, that thing say him and Chumpy come from way back. Yeah. Hey, you know how long me and Chumpy at the road. You know how long me and Chumpy at the road, Raga, what you hear about? Anyway, big up yourself.
Hey,
Anyway.
I remember the war is on.
No worry yourself about that. And one last thing before me leave, do one thing and whatever. Me just drop Jimmy about it, but not because the youth are helping out.
Jimmy ambitious. You need to go get some.
Listen to me, not because Jimmy helpful and thing and whatever, and him is a traitor and gone over, we don't know. This thing I want to have him on use on the toilet and I send him to clean the toilet seat. And that is slackness, man. No cut out them something and make the youth do them
You
thing.
need to do the same. You need to do the same.
Do what? What? Do what?
Clean for your toilet.
My girl,
Because
don't pass the place.
Oh, for clean toilet.
Don't pass the place, right? What you need to do is pay attention to that idiot plot that we Munchie just put in your head. It lean like the one at the front right there. So. The one on the left side of your head, the one there. Yes, the paraplegic plot there. The paraplegic plot. The paraplegic plot in the head of that if you pay attention to here. My girl. Try don't come with that hairstyle because right now you look like a maybe Rasta. Oh, know that, yeah?
You can't come with that hairstyle and still shell the party.
Right now you look like a almost Rasta, yeah? That me I tell you, yeah? Your head look like a confused Rasta, yeah? That me I tell you.
Guess what? Me not go come on a show, you come tell you, say, oh, me look good and me pretty. And me I go turn up and when you come at the party and I look fit, you can't find it. That not go happen.
Nah, me not care what you say. Me just make you know, so right now, your ear look like one of them maybe Rasta that who spell Selassie. Blow on who spell Selassie. Selassie.
After me not marry you, I have to fit with and can't spell her name.
Well, the other one they go after you know what?
After me not marry you, we have the pitney with you and can't spell her name good.
Which hey, Java, you remember? You don't forget nothing. No, remember that. She did that. Yeah. We have youth and then she couldn't spell her name.
Yeah.
She said we are gonna have kids, and when me look, me I say, but Mary, before you think about for come and picnic with me and thing, you know, think you should have can't spell your name proper. Her name never spell good at all. Hey Java, I'm afraid of you, you know. You want
That not
CBS?
happen over ANC.
Yo,
Never.
you want CBS? You don't forget nothing, you know. John, I'm afraid of them, and I like, I'm afraid. Hey,
No, you
people,
don't need to fear us. You need to love us. That's all.
let me tell you something with Java and CBS. Them are the type of people, they say, you say something and them would say, no, and I saw it go. I never that you did say, you never said brown, you did say blue. And then if you go now, go say, no, a brown, me say, Java and CBS are the type of people that just reel out a whole heap of details for you that you can't respond after. Right? Like if you say, no, a brown, me say, and she said, no, you say blue. And me say, no, a brown, me say, Java, we say, no, a brown, you did say, because right before that, the girl, when named Charmian, she did say she want yellow, and then she said the salt drop off of the table, and then she pick up the salt and thing, and then the next one come in when named Patricia, and thing, and when them done give details, all you have to do at the pan, oh, a true, yeah. Yeah, them bad them way, them man. Them bad them way. Them say details.
We not go forget.
No, them not. No, me I tell you, say them details and them not forget anything and whatever and thing. But anyway, big up on yourself still and big up your maybe Rasta do. You understand what I say?
All right, maybe
the thing is
Rasta
everything.
is for Saturday night. Rep.
Property.
with the baby Rasta.
Yeah.
Sean, me can't wait to see you and Craig Tan a long time. I say, oh no.
You see, Craig Tan flying at the place already, you know. Yeah, man, the dog play a lot from London already, and Craig Tan, they already proper thing, you see.
Yes, the play land.
Hold on, one last question before you go. One last question. Me hear it, me not think it's true. Me just for the record, me just want to know me not endorse the foolishness because for the record, as bad as things is, I don't think it's true. So I just want. It's true, say Antasha a borrow clothes some owner for come the party.
You realize, say, Antasha the tallest one amongst us?
What?
You realize Antasha is the tallest amongst us, so there's no way our clothes would have fit Antasha.
It's a rumor, me here, me just, I'm not telling you something, I believe it.
See, I'm glad you said, you're the operative word, rumor.
Yeah, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I just ask.
That is it.
What?
That is it.
Yeah.
You know better.
So nothing no go so.
Oh, it figures so if I want thing, you not gonna know for business for talk it. Cause guess what? I wish your sisterly love. If
No, but
we are gonna come together and make it happen.
no, but even if she had the tallest one, she could have wear one of your long skirt as a mini.
No. Never. We are gonna get her with comfort.
Yeah. And that Antasha gone to know, though.
Never.
Right.
You just want to know our business. But tell the people and say we live good and I love we say over here.
All right.
United.
If she had borrow clothes, I would advise her not for borrow Delmarine Constitution, he'll all broke, because that not gonna really go with her. You know what I'm saying?
Raga, let me tell her something right
now.
No,
you get heated. You're getting heated.
Everybody gonna come out and say Del Marino was one of the best dressed somebody at the party.
Exactly.
What?
Don't do it.
She gonna wear the second hand boot when you use catch her for join on a crew?
I gonna rock that second hand boot. You know that never believe says a second hand.
Okay, we're gonna see what I go on and thing.
Yeah, say. Raga, you can't tear it down. I don't know that by now.
Yeah.
If I want thing, we are real queen. We fix one another crown over here, so.
No, but you sound like you get eated about something and thing.
Yes.
You're getting eated. What?
Raga, you know, say me love my sister them to my heart. So when I try to come cross certain parts, I go get ignorant. Don't do it.
It sounds to me like the Rasta year, the maybe Rasta year are bad at your head or something.
Make it bad at me.
Okay,
Make it
all
bad
right.
at me.
Okay, all right.
Atala Rasta you want to think, but remember say Atala gonna have over there as the maybe Rasta.
Well, you know where about Tyler thing real. I don't me tell you. Anyway, big up on yourself over there, yeah?
Yes.
I sat there do it.
On Friday and Saturday. Hey.
And just know, see, at the end of the day, even though on a NC, I'm a SDC, anybody trouble, call me. Okay?
Yes.
Call me. Make me come kick off a boy face and tell him, say, I won't not do it. Mr. Man, go from here, some man. You not put your hand on none of them over there. Me alone for cuss them. Right? Now we alone for war them, not you. What you saying?
Right, and
Yeah.
before me publicly want big up Auntie Anne's for her good achievement. Them big up Auntie Anne's anywhere you're there. Notice that she not in the chat. Bare things are going for Auntie Anne's. Auntie Anne's, big up. We're proud of you, girl. We love you.
Rep.
It can only get greater from this. Big up Auntie Anne's.
Yeah.
Where you going so far?
No, because me know say she did enter the alligator catching competition. She win it. She win it. She did win it. Oh my
So
God!
don't worry about that.
Tell her congratulations and things. She win. She win. Oh my God! Naki B, big up yourself. Me know you enter the alligator.
Someone is over here talking about you.
Who? What?
Why are you talking about Ragashanti?
And we still beat them straight.
Yo, me no hear what that dirty man there say, but tell him say him no know nothing about me and him can't say nothing about me and thing here. Tell him for go from here, so him can't say nothing about me. Dirty man Phil. Mr. Face it. You can't say, me no hear what you say, me no want to hear nothing what you say. Dirty man. Okay. Okay. Well, no, me think I done him, I done me. No, so you say him, I done me. Oh!
The war just I get hot.
No, but why just about band done? What you for do? You for tell the people every time when you tell the woman for suck off your toe and a beer chick did in there, that you for do. Tell the people and boy, you want get a suck to a bus. When you tell the woman from North Carolina, boy, you want get a suck to a bus, and when the woman drop your foot, a beer chigga in your foot, go with me some man, but band done, you out harder.
And when she done, she said you was like green tea, the only thing missing was a bagel.
When she said sweet, and the only thing missing was a bagel.
Bagel is sweet like cream cheese.
Yeah, we can't bother with it, you know. All right, let's see a word. Yeah, man.
Just a preview of Friday and Saturday. You know, hear what the thing jiggy already?
No, man. A be a bantaning, man. Let's see a word, man. All right, blessings and respect here. Yeah, man, it goes some, man. Long time. All right, blessings. Cool.
SDC, big up on yourself and a big up to ANC.
Listen, you already one time in your life.
Let me say what? Oh, God. Okay.
Bye.
Oh, this song, you know what song I say?
Then why not hang up?
Oh, sorry. Oh, that song I go, una go tell me. I go remember the melody, I want to tell me like it I say. Na na we no, na na no, na na we no, na 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 na. Oh no, oh God, no, remember it now. New tune Reggae boss. New tune Reggae boss. Cooker in the darkness, hiding. Cooker in the darkness, hiding from TamFam. Cooker, where art thou? Cooker. What are them? Big tune.
I need some An Blenda time.
Big tune.
Listen me.
Big tune. Cooker in the darkness, hiding. Cooker in the darkness, hiding from Raga. Cooker, where art thou? Cooker, where art thou? Cooker, where art thou? Cooker hiding from Tamfam. Cooker in the darkness, hiding. Hiding, cooker in the darkness, hiding, cause he can't pay for the ticket them. Cooker, where the money there? Cooker, where the ticket money there? Cooker, where the ticket money there? Cooker, where the ticket money them there? Bomba! Yo! Man a artist. I saw what things said. We build big tune, improvisation, don't play with it. Yeah, right on the spot, we just build a big tune, don't. Okay. Oh God, you don't know say some people are gonna come over here and chew them not there. Them not gonna get the truth. Them not gonna get the joke. Them are like, okay, what's funny about that? But if you're new here, we're a family over here, you know, we're there every evening and thing. So there are ongoing things that happen in the family, and you'd have a day to understand what's going on, you know. So even if we explain it to you now, you're not gonna really get it. So you just have to flow, you know. All right. So I'm not gonna even explain it to you because I'm not gonna hear the explanation and be like, oh, but it's not gonna register, it's not gonna connect, it's not gonna sound funny, you know. Okay. Oh, that one nigga, me never there all when me there though. All right. Starboy Shanti, I don't see I hear from your moderator Queen Nash from Monday. Do you hear from Queen Nash a post? You know, say Queen Nash a post on TikTok. But Queen Nash the summer, Queen Nash a girl do her traveling, you know. Queen Nash a girl travel with her people and man. You understand? You know, say Queen Nash a top girl, you know. Queen Nash just not hype with her thing, you understand? But if you check her page on TikTok, man, she there someplace, you know. There's a bee will move mystic, you know. But she always there some nice place, you know. Queen Nash a girl will travel and do her thing, man, and yeah. And they both, so she there in some country with nice beach or sitting. Susan, big up yourself, you know, blessings, man. So she good, man. So my suspicion, my best guess is she gone for about a week, you know, vacation, you know. Because I know it's a Queen Nash there every night. But HRH bingo, Chris. I was missing for 3 days. Raga, you miss me? No? Yeah, me I trouble you. Yeah, me I trouble. Baby lips, big up yourself, you know, Starboy, say you turn good, you know. I wonder if I true. Baby lips, Starboy, say you set right, you know. Starboy, say your body good and you cock up and beer something and you're full of shape and all them something. The Starboy, I big you up, you know, baby lips. I wonder if I true. Because I don't know Starboy ratings, you know. You understand? Say more elegant. Somebody tell me say you stay good too, you know. I don't know how I go on this one. But baby lips, Starboy, come out publicly and say your body set good, your cock up and stay good and thing, legs them proper and all these things and whatever. You understand? Starboy, them say your thing balance out, wicked. But you don't know me now and you feel now we're not too running for no talk still, you know. Because we're a veteran in this, so nobody can just come gas we up thing and we get hype about the thing and run in them way and our flex them there, you know. And we say judge for ourselves, see for ourselves. You see what I say? But we rate Starboy, you know. Baby lips, we rate Starboy, but you know, we're not too, you know, some evidence. You see what I say? That's all the thing there, but you know, when sister the general come out and give the full 100, the full blast, rate things and say, yo, baby lips thing up there. I know some beer freaking me keep up, don't. Anyway, I'm just I keep back. Yo, me end early today, you know. We'll probably just go over, you know, the Sublime and do a quick thing over there. The Sublime not go long today, you know, people, man. Just play some things, take some on a call them and thing and whatever. Me have some things to do. But if anybody have any mix-up right now, I want to send on a mix-up, any party mix-up or any other mix-up on the app, let me see what I go and have a bunch of people, let me say right, you know. Let me see what I go and big up all who pick on a dress already. The man them I not worry about. The man them, I bet you all All of the man them know them aware already. All right. All of the man them who are forward at the party, see, Saturday. And already know now aware. Just put yes. If you don't know, if you are coming and you don't know yet, put no. All of the man them who are forward at the party, if you already know where you are aware, just put yes in the chat. But if you don't know where you are aware yet, put no. The man them yes. Let me see something, man. Chumpy say yes. See, the yes. Romian say yes. Seeing? And I say Cooker say no. Cooker no know when. When I be Gregory innocent, I'm a general that you know. Gregory say yes. Him don't know why I'm here already. Yes. Right? Tommy Jones say yeah. Big up yourself, Tommy. Let me see where. Dr. Mac, I man them I say, the truth say no, him no know where I'm here yet. Naval gonna be a yes, you know, cause the man they see the Naval say yes, you know, Naval the man they keep things simple, you know. The man they are humble man, you know. G Advance, big up yourself. Big up yourself, G Advance, big up yourself. All right, blessings and respect. All right, I'm gonna bring in somebody I know and see what is what and thing. But just easy an idea, you know. You know, some should I bring some juice and thing, you know. But bring coffee and I don't want no more of that coffee, you know. Hello. Hello. Yo, let me come out of this quick here. And I want to look like it didn't intend for forward to you see me? And one bag of nice dead and all these things. Going down the line. See more elegance, big up yourself, you know. See more elegance, your foot back smooth. Hello? Hello? No, man, I don't plate that. I don't plate that. Somebody put plate, I wash out the plate that. I mean, I know how that, you know, we are Lego from that one day, you see me? We'll go down the line again. We'll go down the line. All right, next. Next. Hello. Hello. All right, people, come no man. Everybody bring in and them send up them thing and then, you know, now you're nothing from them going down the line.
Good night, TamFam. Good night, Ragawagwan.
Go on, me day I give thanks, you know, what go on with you.
Me there, me say I no long me a wait for your part 2 and this a part you me hear your bossy part 1 today. I
What?
met me baby father call me. I say why me won't stop rinse out him business for Raga.
But
When
well,
he broke foot.
yeah, but fix up that no. Fix up that.
Rinse out him business?
Yeah, Paraga.
Lord Jesus. Raga, why man have problem with you?
No, I don't know nothing new.
Me
No,
know I don't know you.
what kind
Raga
of problem?
sweet me.
No, but I wanna make the man them a problem with me.
Raga, it's sweet. Me laugh and tell him, say, leave me alone. That's my enjoyment. And years ago, that all him have to do a laugh and hang up the phone.
When him say what? Him hear about the 1 foot sort out, mix up
And
with my
him
post.
here and come, I never know see he did post it because almost 2 weeks that now since me do it.
Since you do it, yeah, man, I'm post it, man, I just post it.
And me say the man just watch your page like a app. Me don't know what them are going like. Raga is a problem, but yet still.
No, man, no, a long time, enough man have problem with me based on how them woman, relate to my show in years, man. When I time me, I feel watch me head back, man, at Jamaica, man.
That's why I say me care, because every time me talk him, always dep on your show and listen to what me I say. I left the door.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah. So I'm here about the broke foot sort out.
Your butty have called me. That's the way.
My title it, broke foot dash out.
Mr. Raga laugh till a week. Raga, when me go on your
Go on to
when me get part 2 to it.
Yes, man, I could hear part 2, man.
So remember me tell us, all right, in the married a Jamaican thing. And when he come up here in divorce a woman, they are married. So at the same time when me did left, we go take care of him with the broke foot.
Yeah.
The man have woman where me know say all right, it two we just come up and it two we can help with self and thing. Right?
Yeah,
So I have to start out and me have to start out.
Yeah.
But we are going jugglers. Me say me never have nobody and him foot broke and me left work and they help him out. This man, they with this woman. Don't tell me nothing. Tell me if I come over, come help look after him. Me go for the week. When I go Raga, I go tell me, say, him have a woman and every day she video call him. And when she call him, me have to go duck.
So what wrong with that?
Raga, if me did know, I wouldn't go there. I spend 3 days there and left 3 days after, not the full week.
No, but when me I said the two are not come up, right? And the two are no thing not straight out yet, right? Right? And if him have a link where him a work and thing, right? And then you go put high school thing aside, and then if you say, yo, our link different, because at the end of the day, boom, 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 boom. All when we left, we can still look out for one another. So if him say, nah, man, me have a little link and thing, when me I work, and so me, say one little thing different and I have your back certain way. Nah switch and nah Lego. So it's when she fall, when she call, just don't make no sound in her background or nothing or whatever and thing like that. And of course, he would have to do the same thing for you if you're in that position. What wrong with that?
Raga, me never know before me got here. That's the thing.
No, but you wouldn't go if him did go tell you that.
Exactly.
Duh.
So, but the same weekend, me find out say I'm married and left go which part them go leave him move out of Brooklyn completely. Raga at the second time he go married and me never know.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, so what? What?
He married to the woman and I did not know. He didn't tell me, only tell me say he have a B where I deal with. And she love video call him, and when she video call, me have to go duck because she very jealous. But they married the same week, and I did not know.
So him did married on a broke foot? Hello? Oh, well, I want to eat that phone. I'll say, go and come.
Oh, sorry, me that get a call. I big old iPhone 14, me have man, not do it. Anyhow.
No, because I remember one time when you call your child, it said, I tell somebody what type of phone you have, and she said iPhone 8.
No, so me pick in attack, so she have 4.
No, I big one. But anyway, so him did married on a broke foot?
Raga, me I tell her say, me not lie. Yes.
Okay.
I second married the man married and never tell me.
No, but
so that time I could feel good after
then
that.
Then when me I said no, at that time, you did a pre-reconciliation or you did just a juggle with your baby father, help him with the broke foot. What was it?
It wasn't a deep reconciliation because as I said, we couldn't help one another, but he was the only person I was with, And
no, but you not answer the question. You did a pre-reconciliation. Yeah, okay. Well, that different then. But him did I give any indication? Say, yeah, man, we can juggle back and thing.
Yeah, man,
At the time.
definitely.
Well, that different then. That
Him
different.
and one of the baby father we always talk about me and you can't left and this a always for me and this a good pee and red this and that.
No,
Yeah.
so well, so when him a juggling night and thing and whatever, him tell us yo, that pony is so good and thing. You can't left with a pony of my
All
pony
when
this.
he want, all when in that, all when we not in a one another and he want, him a tell me say you a lie, me a tell him I forget that a film that lock film.
To the best of your knowledge and thing, you think him just a tell you that for gas you up and your pony never good, your pony did actually pop down, or is it that your pony was really that good?
Our song go say Maddy Man them.
What?
I feel me one say Maddy Man them.
No, me not understand that in an answer question. What you say?
All right. It
Yeah.
is at a level where it costs people to go insane if they don't get it. Them say so, and I don't know one say so.
All right. Public service announcement break. Public service announcement. To all of the women them who hear what she just said a while ago, and say she just said her pony madman when them not get it, right? Me know say no found no jealous now and want bad mind her and all them something that some I just suggest to curb on a bad attitude and thing and a little thing they wanna feel right and the jealousy and whatever. The woman say, a man them say when them get her front and them not get it back, them mad. So fear her front. The woman call the shoe and say her front, madman. So she know them things. So no found no have them something there. No have the madman front, make man crazy, make man go crazy front and all them thing there or whatever. So me just I say, about a bad mind or anything or whatever. All right, big up yourself, Tracy Bless and thing or whatever, because you are the front to make boy lose their mind and
Worry,
madman,
one I
okay?
go call in the dog bite, the one with the dog rating, say I go call you, because as me say, it thing turn up like that.
Okay.
I don't know if me man them a listen to you, but
Oh,
when
yeah.
they calling you, we know. Me
See
tell my
more
people,
elegance,
call back with part
see
two.
more elegance, jealousy, I kill with, because if you are not good like your one, you know, she know now, you know, right?
Me one of them girl with confidence, me work, not
Right.
job, but me do me manly work with confidence.
Yeah, me know say Kimberly jealous over here right now. Me can't call out the woman them way them bad mind turn up. Nicole Henry Parker, fear bad mind
It
turn
Jada
up.
did sing about it.
Christina Brown Sugar, fear bad mind turn up. Stephanie Chung, fear bad mind sky up right now over your front and thing, right? Miss Anthropologist, Cheryl Bless and the whole lover girl, all of them right now. Java, Munchie, and thing, Naki B, Lovely Me, Marsha Keone, and then the whole of HRH, Tashi Morgan, Claudine, the whole of them right now, them either hurt them.
Yes,
Yeah,
I come up the something where them say, if the man live, and the man
and I hear
other things that
you possess with the good underneath. Him say it tighty, and him can't get in. Ask me the Vaseline finally done now. You are 24 and you feel like 30 and you don't. When you find your finger first cars,
She got 20 for 2
like
months.
finger first car word like a title the bit left and I hear the part every time for cheap them right.
All right, second.
No, I can't say them bad mind right now, Sandra, bad mind and things, Cheryl Bliss and the whole of them, Daniel and all of them, see them, Marsha Kiona and all of them. Them under stress, you know. I stress them out, you know. Yeah. All Munchie right, you know, Munchie. I bet you Munchie did take the ear out of Java head and bet you Anna shakes, you know, she can't even take out no more ear out of Java head and thing. And that me I tell you, yeah.
Java says she not talk certain things if she know.
Yeah.
Not say she look good when she knows it.
Yeah. All Kimberly right now. A beer sweat Kimberly, I sweat off the whole of her makeup right now. That me I tell you, yeah. Cause when you're good, when good girl just good and up there your thing there.
Yeah, man. And if him left, and I'm fall. Cause I know
But
for friends
Tracy,
left, right, and center.
Tracy, the way you talk right now, probably like you have all the wickedest sort out in a TamFam. You'd have surprised if they turn out that way, eh?
No, I'm not gonna underestimate no other woman. Everybody must know them bedroom style. My
No, but
bedroom style
me say you'd have surprised if something happened and some sort of assessment was made, some metrics were, utilized to, to quantify, the skill set and the accomplishments of hold on, man. And if it come out that you come out to be the best one, the best juju on all of the TamFam woman them, would you be surprised?
No.
You wouldn't be surprised?
No. No,
What you know? No, you wouldn't be surprised.
Nope.
No, sir.
A top man when me there with, I go tell me, say, me make me and the people them boy pick me and get it and thing. So no, I'm not surprised.
What a piece of confidence you have, done. And the confidence that come from the reaction from the man them, done.
Me a true man, big thing. Big thing. Big
Don't
thing.
Tracy, you lead them. You lead them like...
Years baby daddy and ex no get fan, them a tell me, say them that hold me me right now.
Jesus God.
I still have memories. I'm telling say it even better now because more experience, one.
Sure.
And two, when you take care of your body, you know if you do certain things.
Yeah.
The quint and squirt and the this and the pop and the thing.
Yeah. And that them a bad man. I bet you say baby lips don't know them style. The baby lips don't know one fart where you talk about. She don't know them something there,
All the barrow business there. You know the dog style, the barrow business, the wheelbarrow.
The wheelbarrow. You know for the wheelbarrow.
Man say hot, but I'm love it.
All right. When you do wheelbarrow, you need them, Ben.
Raga, me arch me back.
Oh, you know the next question, auntie.
Well, late, sublive.
Yeah, you arch your back.
Arch my back, Raga.
Yeah, because some women do the wheelbarrow and them not arch them back. Them not sink in them back, and them not understand.
Pillow under the breast, this Raga.
All right, so when you have the wheelbarrow thing and say your head down your son, this up your son thing, because you have some woman can whine but them can't whine in a wheelbarrow. All them can do, I just go back so and boom it off, but them can't do that something there. Which one you can? Which one? When woman have the wheelbarrow and them depend them and them, some of them can't go back so. But it's hard for even go back so, true them need bend down your son and thing them hard, the whole of them energy is just a position yes and make a man move. Some woman can't go back so, but the real Jenna girl, them just come to the woman them and wind it back. You know if you do that something there in a wheelbarrow?
Yes, Raga. Me no go up on my hand and me go up on my elbow, like catch up on my elbow with the pillow up underneath my breast.
Oh, you know, so that
sometimes I put it on the shoulder instead of the waistline.
Okay. No, that is a stand-up 69 doing.
No, the person kneel upon the bed.
Oh, okay.
All right, don't talk this up. Me know me thing, Raga. No worry yourself, man. Me set up proper.
When you in that position, do you ever do a 6 o'clock in that position?
No, try it to be honest, but it's hot bad.
Yeah, no, you can't do it.
We go 2 seconds in it and jump
you do one leg straight up to one leg straight up to the 12 or one, the other one down to.
Lie. Me try.
You press back and
2 seconds, but me not say me a pro. Me a go sit down in that. Heck no. Me get that straight up in my marrow.
Okay. Kiki don't know them style, and Cheryl Bless don't know them style. Christina never do them style yet and thing or whatever. But you have to take time with Christina because when Christina just starts out up, and a churchyard she starts, so said that. Yeah, a churchyard. Christina first look at workings was back at church, so say.
Me come out of church because up to a day me ex talk about this say me tell him say I make me come out of church because first give me it is sweet me come out of church come off a choir and cream me here and start the weed man. God forgive me.
Oh, that one go what?
I came out of church because of daggering. When me get it touch and it sweet me.
Yeah.
Me come out of church, come off a choir, do everything, cream me here and start dagger. Never go back at church till me get pregnant.
Oh, so you are one of them who did body backslide.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not ashamed for talk.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Let me tell her, Christina did the same thing too. She was a body backslider, so.
Me then I get it, so when he get me, when me start getting sweet, and then the time they are just some sit down and mama papa style. So you can imagine now me I get all of the good.
Sexy Rush says she too. Sexy Rush. Daniel says she did body backslide too. So agreed. You know, see some other people. No, it's right. It's right there in the chat,
I'm not new. I mean, I like it sweet. Me know say so much me that miss out.
I saw it.
And I put better best.
Jesus God, look what Sonia put in our chat. May I read it exactly? Behind the Anglican Church, me lost my virginity, me pokey holy body. Jesus.
Sanctified.
No, man. Yeah. Yes,
it's
man.
Well blessed.
No, that is what you call a holy hole. You know, holy hole.
I done with TamFam. Raga, me ready for see you. Me no know babysitting I go yet. My might just carry me put and go fling them. I was indecisive, but I said, no, so I have to come mix and mingle. To. What time is the door being open? Let me ask.
No, you can't.
Nearby,
usually people start coming, 10:30 and thing, a million, Remember, say it I go till 4 in the morning, So, but I buy 11 people that really are coming.
He come by 10 because I'm right nearby. I'm excited.
Right. No, but you can't come and just chill, because me I go put want too much seat in them something to encourage people.
No.
But me want enough seat there where people can feel relaxed and rest them body and go dance and come back. So me pay money for all of that, right?
That's why I change my shoes because I want hell of a heel me they get first, I mean I tell her say me that go for one way when no.
No, hold on. When last you go party?
Raga. A long time, years. Not even club. It's been a while.
Hold on. So that is why you don't know what is good. Well, let me tell you what is trending, darling, because clearly you're not up to date with what is going on, okay? So for the women who wear extremely high heels, they have matching flats to go with the shoes that they're wearing.
I know that too, yeah.
All right, then. Cool.
But me get one where me can comfortably stand up, dance, do everything in a way, everything. So me change it, and yes, me change the dress again too, and things. So
this is the third. That's another third or fourth dress you change now.
No, this is the third.
The third. Jesus God, y'all need help, man.
I tried it on and let somebody see, and them say, "Where you going in that?"
No, y'all need help with this thing. Yeah,
but I'm in it.
Well. Looking forward to seeing you top front, all right? That you're saying, top front and things. So we're looking forward to see you.
Give me the girl with the wickedest.
No, I'm the rest of. No, I'm not telling from no, feel no way, But based on how you chat, me keep it 100 with you. Based on what you share or whatever.
I lose a lot of weight.
No. Well, listen to me. Me tell you, say based on what you say. I tell you from now, a lot of people are going to say, she named Tracy.
Man.
She at the top front.
I don't watch the body neither, because trust me, action speak louder than word.
Okay.
Action, not a bag of mouth.
So you feel so that means you start out with a turn up better than Sonia.
Raga, me do it for mad the man them purposely.
Right, and Sonia no mad man. Because you're the only woman in a TamFam mad all of the man them who you start out with.
Raga, me purposely do it so that same name must come back.
Yeah.
Call me forget it back.
You're start out better than Dr. Mark one, better than Munchie one, better than Sonia one, better than Kimberly, better than Cheryl Bliss, better than Kiki, better than Miss Anthropologist, better than CeeLo, right? And CeeLo start out turn up, I tell you
Raga, me tell you this much. Hold on. If I say, I'm just saying for the record, if I start you out, you not gonna come here, come tell if it good or bad. You go sit down there and sing a da da dee, da da da.
Hold on. Why? just say?
Me say if me sort you out, you're not gonna come say to nobody.
Eh.
You just sit down and sing da da dee, da da da. You are gonna keep your that I go take it and shut your mouth. Situation you're in. Trust me. Yes.
Wow.
Confident, me know if do my thing.
If
and I even though it feels that way.
If you
too.
sort me out, right?
Yes, Raga.
The
You're not gonna
impact.
come talk.
What would be the impact?
Come tell nobody, not even Chris.
So what would I do? What would I do?
Raga, you go just come and say, Tracy.
Yeah.
I say people leave her alone. That's
Yeah.
it. And sing a song.
Come with that for go defend a good front there, don't you?
Yeah. You're not gonna tell not even Chris Cross, your little brother.
No, but we not tell nobody anyway, but that's beside the point. But when me say no, so you basically, and that means some would want it back too, like the other man,
Raga,
don't it? Yeah.
Who to tell?
No, but every man will get your thing so far, you know, them mother want it back. So me I said, then that now would happen to me too.
Raga, then I don't mean mad in a sense of reach at the bell.
No, I mean, right.
Constantly calling me, telling me that they owned it and that they have to get it back. That's
so what I'm saying, then that I will be disposed within that dispensation also, correct?
Yes.
Okay. You're certainly not lacking in confidence, I must say. Your JoJo confidence is at its peak. Yes.
Chumpy, me take any marathon. Chumpy, me take any marathon.
What Chumpy say?
Chumpy say them a woman yeah, them punish back in the days for a marathon.
No.
Chumpy
mine.
Mine.
So like how me feels, you know, if me get look work from baby lips, mother shell her out and thing. Basically, you are say that won't happen to you because me can't manage you.
If you win in the first round because of excitement, the second round a murder. I told you I compete real good right there, so.
Oh.
Me nah go pop down in the first round, you know, cause you know the first touch, so me go excited and thing. And I might just bust before you. Nah, what this happened.
Kimberly, look where Kimberly posts. I mean, you think I like Kimberly say, I waste my time this with you.
No worry, Kimberly.
That is Kimberly's way of saying that you know a beer talk you have and thing and you know good like that.
All right,
that Kimberly I say. That Kimberly I say. Kimberly a bad girl. Kimberly I say a beer chat.
Me I make my baby father call you. I'm gonna make the dog ratings call you.
Kimberly basically I say your chunchun is on it. I want dance bad chunchun you have. That you say back of the class chunchun you have. That Kimberly I say whatever. Kimberly I say your chunchun not bright. Your chunchun don't have no intelligence. Your chunchun I want claffy pums you have. That Kimberly bad girl Kimberly I say that you have a claffy pums. Kimberly I say you have a claffy pums. Be a chat and thing and you know good like that. Yeah. That Kimberly I say.
I was the teacher's pet, okay?
You
I
were
was the teacher's pet back in school. So I don't need to say prove nothing more.
What you mean? You did that take a teacher too?
No, hell no.
Oh, okay. No, you did just a teacher's pet in a class.
I was teacher's pet, so I don't talk right this. So I don't prove nothing more.
No, but me just I tell you what Kimberly I say as a woman who understand woman. She say she listen and whatever, and she say you delulu about your chun.
If a man talks about me, fine. But if a woman talks about me, I accept it because guess what? Bad mind, I go kill them.
Jesus, Kimberly.
I go mad them.
Yeah.
Tell them to free up their conscience. Free up your conscience, Kimberly.
Jesus, classer, yes, classer. Kimberly, Tracy bless you, free up your conscience. It's a raggy road. Road is so rough. Kimberly, raggy road. Road is so tough. Raggy road. Jesus and peace. Then I make them take your answer. Them I say a lie you tell. All Munchie say a lie you tell.
Me expect them to do that.
No, but them say a lie you tell.
Raga, me not sort out none of them.
Lottie girl says she don't believe you. Lottie girl say dunce bad pony you have. Dunce bad pony you have. That Lottie girl just say.
Again, a
You-
woman will say anything. Jada Kingdom say,
No. Cecile will gas you up there. She said, Cecile will say, I believe you are Tracy, afraid, Raga afraid.
I need soap and blender time.
Well, when you think of me alone at the set time, you think Cecile is.
hey, and that's why I love Tam Fat. You can't make me no give me father tell me not to come chat my business. Me
No,
I
well,
want chatty.
and the way she write it, you know, you have to be a Jamaican to know how to say it, you know.
The patois.
Because there is a kind of cadence, you know, a ghetto cadence, you know, like a thing or whatever. You have to know when we see Laura, you have to say, I believe you are Tracy, I believe you are true, you tell you are afraid, one rag afraid. a proper gas up that, you know, when
Raga,
when
your King
when we're
Cash
young,
say
and I
you
say,
retire, you're one burner.
oh,
King Cash.
so who, you ever
You
hear me?
retire, say you are one burner.
You ever hear me eye that? You ever hear me eye that? Raga one pop. Raga one pop. One round.
So when
One round.
second round.
Second round, Maras. There is no second round. One good round. And
Raga,
then right. Hold on. One good round, and then we eat rum and raisin ice cream, and we chat about this and that and cuss Donald Trump, and then talk about, and then we watch a movie or something. One round. Listen to me, ladies. If anything happen, I can't tell you why you squeeze me a one piece, my not time, I got deny to my grave. But me I telling you from now, if you squeeze me a one piece, I hear me say this today, and after you squeeze me the one piece, you say come again and think, I'm gonna run with your ass, you know, come here and say, but don't tell you already. Raga one pop. Repeat after me. All ladies, post it. Post this. Raga one time out. Why time out, Tracy? All ladies, post this. Raga one pop. Ladies, when I post this in the chat, Raga one pop. See that scene? Raga one pop. See, good. Raga one pop, right? That is what Verona call me. Raga one pop. Okay. One my thing, right?
But that's the second part to me when me make man will tell me say, oh, just one time a week or whatever, and yet still get them for a day. Me I tell us say 2, 3, 4 rounds. Me no business when nobody wants to say, yeah, me think turn up like that.
Tracy, you not stop.
No.
You not stop.
Tonight.
Tracy, you not stop.
Me make man we say a one time a week, them give for them woman, give me all 4 times in a one day. Live night.
Enough of a woman can't say the same thing.
A crab hole, you have to say.
Yeah, enough of a woman can't say the same thing. When I want bad mind Tracy and all them something there, and probably they say Tracy a hype and nothing no go. So Tracy know what happened. And I because enough of uno can't even give a man no motivation, no inspiration, no incentivization for them give more than one round when I only one them have. And Tracy can bring things out of men that men did not know exist inside of them. Can I get a Tracy? Hallelujah. A Ubex is Ubex. Which one I want to Bex? Java. I know your Bex and your bad mind Tracy and thing like that. Because you don't have the inspirational juju to get more rounds out of the something of them than what the man knows. So them, you know when a man there with a woman and a man saying, you make me realize potentials I never knew I had. Tracy do that. No can do that.
Mineral yet and see the mineral water highly, but it warm and nice. And it bye. Take me down, me done. Me down.
No, we not go about highly mineral, what?
Yeah, I say if you ever go in a mineral bath, I not thought the one down a Rockford, I thought the real mineral bath. And you go in there, you see the aisle take up on top of water, especially when you go the early morning. And the water warm and come out of the rock, warm and nice. Yeah. And you just go settle right in the mineral part, they were highly and warm.
Yeah.
So come off. Take me down.
No, but real quickly before you go down. You ever sort out it and you sort out pop down and you can see say the man knows that the sort out pop down?
Honestly, to remember, nope.
No.
Honestly, nope. Never been in that situation.
Never been in that situation.
Not even I care, honestly.
You never sort out yet at any point, and the sort when it done, the man was like, okay, whatever, I'ma just come and
No, I never do it. If it was supposed to be a one-time thing, get called back. Swear to you.
Okay, and you never sort out with a man yet, and him not draw back for you. Man, him always draw back for you, right?
Always. Me have texts, me have calls non-stop to prove it.
But to be clear, you never yet sort out yet and the sort out it pop down. You know, so that one they never good. You remember nothing, you never do that yet. Okay.
Nope. Me get ratings every time I'll film man right now, me I deal with all him depend. That one is bad. Me say, but every week you say bad and bad. Then I what?
Okay, good. We just want to be clear.
What is this?
We just want to be clear about that. Because Baby Lips, all she have popped down sort out before, you know. But you never have that yet. Baby Lips not in your league. She not in your league, not even close.
Raga, man, them go call you and tell them.
Yeah, man. All right, then. Cool. All right, big up yourself. Yeah,
yeah man. See you Saturday.
Cool.
Bye.
All right. And you know, so no one see you a Satan. I would say I'm if you sing now. Bad mind I go kill them and then be sit I go mad day. Again. Okay. All right. Yeah, man. No found man. On the head I hurt to the door. When I'm bad mind Tracy blessed door. So Tracy have the good year. When any man go in there, it ever good. You know, your Tracy says she never have a bad episode yet. She never have an episode where a man no want it back. A man never get that and forget the address yet. Tracy have the forget me not something. She have the remember the address something. She have the text set something. She have the obsession good. This what Tracy there and she know how to do it. She know how to do the catch and quint, the slide and wind, the lizard back. You know Tracy have the affy come back. You understand and thing. Yeah. Cheryl bless her what? Denise, watch your Denise about a lie. She a tell you hurt though. You hurt do all Simone down. Simone, she at up your head down, Simone. Sinner licious and things, she humble you down. Licious all this time, you think you're good like that, and you hear about the great Tracy Bless right here now. TB pound on the case right here now. A murder she wrote, you know. Bust up the whole on the head. Whole on the head, all Suzer did all Java right here now. Java didn't make Munchie take out the ear. After Java ear with Tracy Blessy and thing and it at up her head, Java fling with Munchie and I just I grab out the ear them. So I grab out the ear them. So I grab out the yeah. Tracy Blessy talk a while. I'm going to make the whole of the ANC them afraid for talk. Tracy Blessy talk a while. I'm going to make Munchie afraid for talk. Java for humble herself. Christina says she don't want to be moderator again. Listen to me now. He thinks set away. Tracy Blessy with the intelligence something. Tracy Blessy with the intelligent chun and thing and whatever and the whole and when I look at dance man chun and thing one come sparks up against Tracy Blessy something and thing. I want to come from humble on myself and make the leader lead and just be the follower and then I can just hope and aspire for getting our league. And that's how the thing there. A Tracy Blessy a leader. That she saying here the woman say no man ever go in the living room there yet and not comfortable and want to go back and thing. Yeah. Sinalicious, Raga 4 pop, a 1 pop me there. You know, your Tracy Blessy say, oh, and she start out with man, and man, I say, oh, a 1 round, them have Tracy take out a 3-4 round out. Clean Tracy a Sam. No, Tracy. And make Tracy a go so hard. Watch her, great girl Sasha. Tracy, great girl, Sasha, I threw a word for your thing, she shared you. Great girl, Sasha, I shared you, Tracy. Right? She shared you. Great girl, Sasha, you feel your name great girl, Sasha, but you feel just a great poems, Tracy. That you feel say, yo. When she said, wait, see Alicia, she didn't say that? She said, I got change my name to Raga 4 Pop. She never said that. She did say that. Tracy said, anyhow, she give Raga 1 and whatever and thing. Tracy said, my head would have gone and all these things and rate. Don't. And then Tracy said that, say, Raga, anyhow, you get this and thing and whatever. Yeah. What she said, like it, that does humble me. You know, when you become internally oriented, you know, you kind of like start perceive like, hey, big up them pony, you know. You have some pony give you ambition, you know. Yes, man. No, real thing me attack, you know. You have some pony, you know, you get some pony, you know, when you're done, you know, you say, you know, some need for better myself in our life.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
No, man, you have some pony, you know, you get some good pony and thing, and when you're done, you just like, I need to study something, I need a degree or something. I wonder if I go into politics, you know, I can't see myself a leader country. Yeah, man, I have some pony give you inspiration, man, and make you want to grow and become a better you. You understand? And likewise, you have some pony, you get them and thing, and you know, you want to go to the road, go careless out yourself and dig out your hand mingle, you understand? So, we want to big up the inspiration and something them, you know, yeah, big up them something, you know, make you want to elevate yourself, you know? Yeah, man. You have some pony, you know. You remember me telling you, you have pony where make you all think about what the boy name we sing the whole heap of hit song, the little short boy from Hawaii. What him name again? We sing a grenade song. What boy name again? What I want to tell you, what boy name? What boy name? What the boy name? What the boy name from what? Him sing a whole heap of hit song and all the proposal song and Bruno Mars, him see him one. And him sing a song about I'll catch a grenade for you. When me hear that song then, I say, you see it, first time me hear that song then, I say, them foolishness of the woman them listening, and then a whole man to some standard that is just so unrealistic and whatever, you know. Cause me one of them man there, you know, you come tell me about me for catch grenade. I say catch grenade for what? Don't do nothing for me if I catch a grenade for you, and understand, right? See all them things about lovers sleep and the two will jump off together. The two will not jump off because I'm going to say, don't babes, don't jump. But if you see to jump, you alone a blood clot jump because I'm not jumping with you. You understand? You know, in them something, in them so-called movie romantic something, that is not real life. So when me did hear this song about catch a grenade and thing, I went, I'm not catch a grenade for no whatever. But I'm telling you, me they get one look punish something one time and thing, me telling you one punish and thing or whatever. And when me I get the middle of the thing is all of a sudden the song makes sense. Yes! Yeah, man. You have some pony, you know, when you get them, you know, and you're in on them, you know. It's like you want an opportunity to make a sacrifice with the pony, you know, like nothing I do, you know, but you need something, you want something to come off to prove yourself for the pony, you know, you want to take a gunshot for the pony, you know, because the pony, you don't think that the pony deserve it, you know. You have them pony there, yeah, them pony in it, and you like, you know, you say wind up in it, and when she quint it, and I squeeze it, and I slant it, and I edge it, and whatever, you know, you all want ball, and you say a gangster, and a ball, and you remember me I tell the boy when him did I get the good pony, she said the boy get the good pony, and when it bust up in I made him shut her back and say, hey girl, you make me a ball, I never ball from front yet. Hey girl, what you do to me, I tie you, come tell me, I think I make me, hey girl, you're wicked enough, I tell you, you know, make your pony so good enough. And you make man a ball, I think I go over, you come over, yeah, you have them good pony, they make you do them something there, yeah man. Now tell them you have good punny make you want to get advanced degrees and them something there. You know, you have good punny will make you want to save the world, you know, for please the punny. You understand? You know, you want good punny like make you want to liberate the entire continent of Africa and them something that's so that's why I big up them punny there. Those are some quality punny, you understand? And if you get one of those, don't fight it. Just accept it. Just welcome the new dispensation and grow, elevate, arise from the punny motivation. Okay. Immerse yourself, wallow in the punny inspiration because it's going to make you a better person. And there are some side benefits I heard that, you know, it's good for your skin. Yo, you know, me say this, only you me say it or whatever. Like, you know, some people have problems with me, you know? And them say, oh, him have this and him a BF so and him this and that. But I always say, you know, say them are the idiot because me a idiot, right? I am one of the goofiest, craziest person, right? I am more an entertainer, comedian than an anthropologist, than a psychotherapist, than a lawyer and whatever. It's clear that I enjoy this, whatever. Is it unconventional? Surely it is. Does it run across the grain of what constitutes conventional wisdom? Sure it is. Is it unusual? It is. But if you don't have the intellectual capacity or the reasoning ability to understand that, you know, this is somebody who's somewhat different and thing like that, and this is what he actually prefers, you know. I hear a man say, I shouldn't go there, you know, but a man made a good point, you know. Him say, you know, me not go there because it have the religious thing them want to get kind of uncomfortable with and whatever. But you know, clearly this is what me love to do. Like to be a goofball, right? Clearly means an idiot. Me love laugh and keep up a fuckery whatever. So if you come see that now and you don't have the capacity to accept that I'm okay. Clearly I am happy. Right? I'm happy being me or whatever. And if you're gonna make me bother you now, you tell me now, who are the idiot? Raga are you? Yeah? If somebody come and you depend, why am I do this? Why am I do that and whatever? And there's so many things that going on in the world, but you choose to come text it for me, come over here to chat, be a foolish this or whatever. Who are the idiot? Me or you? You understand? Anyway. Oh God. That's why I have to give thanks. So Uno. Because I understand the thing, I want to just accept me the way I am and whatever, you know. I want to may disagree with this with me, or disagree when I say that, or you agree with this, but at the end of the day, I want to appreciate my product, I want to appreciate my comedy, I want to appreciate what I do, I want to appreciate me making a laugh and whatever, I want to understand it and thing. And say, him that raga that man, you know, raga not too. You know, him not too right and whatever, joke him gay or whatever, and the next time I got in something deep, I want to dead with me, see him or whatever. That's why I'm ready to know, because I want to understand the thing. You understand what I say? And I'm not left for nothing, you know. Yeah, because it's just like I want to defend me, I defend on it. Anybody come and say anything bad about the TamFam, them, you know, whatever, straight war me, I done them, done. Because I know say with enough found, you know, there's some people that try done, you know, leave Raga alone. Leave Raga alone. Oh, you mean, so the whole of we are defending one another, one TamFam, and so shall it be at the party this Saturday. For those of you who have never been to a TamFam party, you're in for a treat this Saturday, trust me. You're in for a wonderful treat this Saturday. Trust me upon that one day, all right? For those of you who have never been to a TamFam party, I think it's just a nice little vibes and things, see? So when we just come out and we have a seat, you know, people who come at them used to it, you know, right? Afro-Latino, you are what the doctor ordered, many laughs and entertainment. Yeah, there's something there, you know? Yeah, we just want to make people laugh, really, you know? You know, look how much stress out in the world now. Particularly we're going with certain people, with certain man, you know? And more to come. And you need a little counterbalance, man. And you need somebody to make you laugh and all these things, man. Everita Billings, Raga, you need to do one of your party in Colorado. Every region, who I go? Jamaicans over there. Enough Jamaicans there, Colorado. Eh? Enough Jamaicans there, Colorado. Jude say, you're my prescription. Yeah. Who I go? Eh? Eh? Raga one pop. Raga one pop. One good round. We have nothing to prove around here. You can't style me all I want. I don't care. Okay? Just know me. I tell you, if one I want to squeeze me one piece and say, wrong, no one talk, I run this fire right, I say, okay, all right, forward. One round. In fact, if you give me buy some grape nut ice cream or some rum and raisin and put in our fridge for when we're done. We eat ice cream. And we relax. All right. People, remember, if you're not subscribe over here yet, make sure you subscribe and thing, see it, because I only subscribe and support the thing I make with there every evening and thing. And after Ragabash, we're going to turn up that and thing because we're going to go on with something to you. You understand? Raga one run, probably 3 hours, 6 to 9. Why you have to pick them two numbers if you identify 3 hours? Why you have to pick 6 and 9? You see, say you have trouble, though. And then if I'm going to run in and then agree with that thing, then Raga, you say you agree to 6 to 9. Now we kid. Anyway. It's all about my birthday party this Saturday. All right? Yeah, people, I'm want to come out and thing, All right, I asked that lady. Sure.
What's up, one pop?
Yeah, me there, one pop in the building, what you say?
Nothing much.
Oh, you sound so?
I sound how?
You're not your usual giggly self. What's going on? Are you okay, boo-boo? Huh?
I'm okay. How are you?
Raga checking in on. Are you in your bed?
I am in my bed.
I can pick up from the back. I'm really good at that, the background sound. Me your bed, the type of rubbing that is bed sound,
Oh, okay. Look at you.
What kind of sheet, yeah?
What kind of sheet? I have bamboo sheets.
Oh, those are trending. They've been trending. They started out in South Florida and then just kind of take off. But at first when I heard it, I was like, bamboo sheet? That must sound soft and nice. But they're actually quite comfy.
They're very comfy. It's cool. I like it because of the cooling effect.
Oh, and then you realize they make you talk different, though.
They make me talk different?
Yeah, a while ago you said, they're very comfy. It's cool. And they have this cooling effect. I like it because it's cool, what I'm saying? Yeah. So it look like that's what the bamboo do to you, don't it?
That's what the bamboo does to me.
Yeah. The bamboo make you talk different, though.
It does. And I don't laugh as much.
Yeah, you don't laugh as much when you get the bamboo, though. So what's your favorite color today?
Red.
Well, according to you, woman, this is not really red,
No, what's that?
No, look at it.
Let me see. So you have gray and I see red.
No, leave out the gray. No, look at this. It's
That's
not red.
pink?
It is actually pink.
Is it?
Yeah, but wait.
What?
Have you ever lived in England or anything like that?
No, I visit there, but I've never lived there.
You just said, is it the way the British do just now? But anyway, this is pink. No, yeah, they do say, they go, is it? Yeah, but it's not red. It's pink.
Oh, okay. Well, I love pink.
You see, this is a lighter pink, but you see that it's closer to this.
Yes,
though. I'm trying to find something that is actually, if there's anything red.
I believe you, boo-boo. It's pink.
Okay, it's pink.
It's pink.
But it's a deep, rich pink.
I like deep and rich.
Yeah, deep and rich is good. You know what I'm saying?
Those are my two favorite words.
Oh, those are your two favorite words, deep and rich. Oh, wow. Go you. Sure. I think if a day pass, if somebody know you on a day pass and you don't laugh, they be like, they need to check in with you, you know?
I know, right?
Yeah,
I
we
know.
need to
I
check.
get that a lot.
You know when picking lively and thing, and you know when them sick, cause you're like, that's not her. She
Yeah.
really sick. Like you that person. Like if a day pass and you not laugh, you're like, damn, what's wrong with her? You need to check in, man. I mean,
I
homegirl didn't
know.
laugh all day. You know what's going on here? You know what I'm saying?
Everybody
So,
says that. Hmm.
are you coming to the party?
I want to come so bad. What? I want to come. You know, I'm gonna be very honest with you. I've never really like gone to parties like that.
No, this is different.
Okay.
Can I? I'm a little bit concerned though, because somebody swore me to secrecy and said they know for a fact that you're coming.
Oh yeah? I mean, if I get to see you in person, I'm definitely coming.
Oh, no, I'm just telling you that somebody said
Yeah.
that they know for a fact that you're
They
coming.
know I'm coming?
Yeah.
Ah.
So
who
you
told
don't
you that?
you don't know if you've not had any type of interaction with anybody that led to a conclusion that you would be at a party?
No, I haven't.
Oh.
No,
Well,
this is breaking for me and you. But I would
so
definitely love to come though. I live in New Jersey, but I frequent New York a lot, so I would definitely come. I'm just really scared of that.
scared of what?
I don't know. I've never been to parties like that. I'm
No,
a real listen, I'm a real Oreo, okay? You know what an Oreo is?
Elaborate.
An Oreo. You don't know what an Oreo is?
I do, but I want you to elaborate.
Yeah, so people think I'm an Oreo. I don't want to say it.
No, go on. Say it. It's
I'm
okay.
a born Jamaican, but I'm an Oreo.
No, but there's a lot of people who do not understand that metaphor, but I said I would like you to say it so that they have a better understanding of it.
Okay, so it's
Go on.
almost sounds ignorant, but
No,
it's someone who is like black on the outside, but
yeah, right. And you mean that to say, based on your socialization or you were raised and you just weren't exposed to certain things
exactly.
that most Jamaicans. Okay, and that's okay. Okay, and here's what I have to say to you about that.
Okay.
And I know you're not familiar with it, but I assure you, it's my part is, first of all, it's mature.
Yeah.
Right? But it's mature but very laid back. And this is the important thing that is relevant to what you just said. People who come to my party, they're very non-judgmental. I'm not gonna lie. If you come and you do something ridiculous, you're going, that stand out. They're human beings. They're gonna be like, what the hell? Why is she swinging off the chandelier naked? That's not a good idea. So they're going to be shocked and alarmed, right? You're not going to be swinging off the chandelier naked and be like, oh, it's Raga's party, ignore her. That's normal. No, they're going to notice that, okay? But I'm saying outside of that, when you talk about non-judgmental and just relax and everybody taking care of everybody and everybody's so nice. I have a friend, Stacy. She lives near me here in Queen. And when she went to the first Ragabash, she was just like, what is this? And Stacy goes to all grown and sexy parties, memories, all of them she go. And she's just like, your party is different. Everybody just like family and welcoming and whatever. That's what it is.
Yeah. But
So
I
you
can
don't have
tell,
to.
I can already tell the kind of community that you would have because of your
Right.
chat.
Right.
And because of who you are. So I can already tell that, your party is going to mimic whoever, like these people that are in the chat because they're so nice.
Exactly.
So I already know it's not going to be a bunch of rah-rah.
One time at one of my parties, I don't know what happened, but some sort of physical thing, whatever. But when I turned around, there was this lady, I remember she was on, a little bit on the heavyset side, brown and thing. And she was just fuming. And
Yeah.
she was enraged. And I was just like, oh my God, something's going to happen. And then before I couldn't, she said, you see, if I never rag a party, you see, if I never rag a party, I threw a rag a party, you know, and she turned and she walked away. So people give me that respect there, you know. So
Yeah, I
even in
can
the
tell.
rare instances when something may happen that they would have reacted differently because them know the thing set and whatever, them like. But and even so, you know, you have nothing to worry about. You're going to come have a good time and thing like that, all right?
Yeah. I'll reach out to you tomorrow for the ticket then.
Okay, that's fine. Whenever you want to take it, however you want to secure your ticket and
However I
forward
want
and
to
take.
take it, right?
Yeah, what?
You said it.
What?
I'm reiterating what you said. You said however I want to take it.
Okay, so would you take it however, would you take
it?
No, but hold on. So, okay, we're talking about the ticket. Would you take it however I want you to take it?
Of course.
Okay, but what if you've never taken a ticket that way before? Would you be willing to try taking it the way that I want you to take it?
Of course.
All right. So
You're
you'd be
embarrassing me. I can't take this.
no. So you'd be open to doing something different,
Of course, I'm always open to doing something different.
right? You know, because there are different ways of you know, giving over a ticket.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
Okay.
So,
Yes.
however, when I reach out for the ticket tomorrow and you want to give it to me,
Yeah. No,
I'll
but
take it
so
that
I might want to give it to you in a creative way. You're cool with that, right?
I love creativity.
There you go. Creativity and imagination is good, you know?
Right?
Particular when you have a unique synergy between both parties. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like we've shared, right? We've been sharing this unique synergy.
Oh, we are? You are? We are?
We've been sharing.
What do you mean? You mean there is something there?
I mean, I feel like every week I come on this like chat or call. You and I, we just, I don't know. I just feel like, you know, we have that connection. Right?
Chop on buckler. All right, man, do me a favor. Cuss a bad word for me. Cuss a bad word for me.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Listen, wait. No.
Listen me.
Yes, wait. Listen me. All right. You know what that mean, do? You know what that mean, do, Sher? It's
What?
like me say, yo, you see, me like that, do you know? Me say, of course, about one, and you never itch.
Mm-mm.
So it sounds like you're the type of person, if there's playtime,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to say, yo, I want you to do something different for me now. Because I love the instruction, you know, and things we're doing. You know. It sounds like you'd be like, yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I'm always ready to learn.
Okay.
Whatever.
You're such a bad girl, man. All right. Big up yourself, Shara. All right.
All right,
Blessings
Raga.
here. Yeah, man. Cool, man. All right. See it? Mhm. Sure, right there, you know. You know. I saw. Okay. Yeah, we can't bother. Hold on, all who are watching the show right now, if you're not follow me, you'd follow me now. Here, if you're not follow Ragashanti, you'd follow me now. People, you see, when you're doing lawyering, you know, the people who are into lawyering, I love the law, you know, but I love it more from an intellectual standpoint in terms of history, culture, heritage, race, and so forth, you know. I don't really... I'm not one of those to be reading all these cases and whatever. I have colleagues, they get into that, you know, they're really into the law and whatever. I don't really, I get it. It's good to be a lawyer. It opens up multiple options. And part of the reason, one of the main reasons why I became a lawyer was when I realized my 3 kids at some point, they're going to be in college all at the same time. And I'm like, when I get old and I'm on cane, I want something that is marketable and something that has I can use to generate income should the necessity arise. So that's the main reason I went for it. But I really love the law. But the practice of it, I mean, like, I'm at a stage of my life right now. I don't even want to be too serious, you know. I don't want to take myself too seriously, honestly. And that is why I love this. Right? That is why I love this. And I'm glad Una love it too. And that is why I want to expand this and grow this and build this. Because this is what I love to do, really, you know. And I have a little gift for it that I know. I don't need anybody to tell me that. It's there, you know. I have that thing that you don't have to rehearse it. You don't have to script it. You don't have to da-da-da-da-da. It's just a natural thing for me. You throw me in this space and I just flow. And then I do my thing. And, you know, and it's fun. And it, you know, because it's fun, it impacts your mind. It impacts your stress level. It impacts the way I deal with people. If you're happy and relaxed, it's reflected in the way, in your conduct with others and whatever. So those are some of the main reasons why I enjoy this. I really enjoy this. And it's fortunate for me that there are people like you who enjoy this too. Because I could enjoy it all I want if I don't have a constituency or a group or a family or whatever. Then it's all for naught. Yeah, they don't really use naught here, but we grew up with naught in Jamaica, meaning zero. Yeah, this is fun. I enjoy this. You see what I say? I mean, just want to say big respect to one for that, you know?
We have to reach there by 8:30. And then watch Ragashanti in blood clot, listen.
What? Mister, Jesus, what you gonna bingo with Munchie now? Look how the bingo I come with Munchie now. We have to reach there by 8:30. I'm say it's coming. What? I'm just here. What's wrong with him blood clot self and listen. It was still there, you know, but you see, you at least you not just listen like enough for them and not look on the phone. At least you look on the phone. Lucky you,
pay attention to anything me I do.
Jeez and peace. Look how I almost bingo with you, man. Hi. Anyway, all right. Gotta go provide opportunity for me in the future with you. One day you're going to drink and you're not going to pick up on thing and I'm going to hear.
I don't drink.
Huh?
I don't drink.
Well, something I got.
Unless I porridge.
Yeah, something I got when I'm going to bingo. Watch and see, all right? All right, bless up here.
Yeah. No, Raga.
Eh?
I did want to ask Tracy something.
Yes, ask Tracy something. Well on, you did hurt, you did feel nervous and insecure. No, because me know say when Tracy talk, you must feel insecure and thing and whatever. When she did that talk, don't you feel like your chun did a shrink?
No, after my friend have mad cow disease. Oh. My friend have mad cow disease.
So what you want to ask Tracy now? What you want to ask Tracy now?
I'm talk about address. I know man not forgot Tracy address. Yeah, them not forgot it because guess what? Them know so they not go back at the address. So them not go
Listen me. What?
I want to ask Tracy something. Based on why Tracy come over here, come talk from time to time.
Yeah.
Tracy back it up. Tracy good as Tracy bless. You so good. And you did married before. You have children. You did have the boyfriend when you're a young girl, the dog did come out upon you. You did have the boyfriend, a foreign and everything. Tracy, oh, you so good and nobody don't stay all now. I want that so.
Listen me. I mix up and blend that time.
Oh my Tracy.
Tracy, your front too good for the man to buy you a plane and apartment and him. So now even build together, the man not build together with you.
Oh, shit! Oh, damn! Shots fired!
Come here, Tracy. Come sit alongside of me so make me your reason. I can't wait till Saturday night. Come here, son. Come here, so good one, Tracy. Come sit alongside of me.
But you just call her.
That's why Java can't come over here.
Hold on. All right, let me bring her up.
Yeah, man, no one should answer me.
Yeah, I could bring up Tracy and now. I bring her up and thing.
Me there.
Yes, she there, because you're not afraid of no girl. You're not afraid of no girl, Tracy.
No, but me no need to step to Munchie because I never put my thing at
And a Munchie, a Java attack.
No, a big back Java, this is a big back Java.
Java,
Yeah.
I never put my thing to no woman yet, you know, so if you want come, but hear me now. As you ask the question. No, if you want come,
Tracy, if you want come, where?
I me left any man, ask them. All when them are go married and me left.
Oh.
No, I know you left. Remember we did
me
man
tell you
having
something.
woman we are talking about married to.
I have my husband right now.
Remember you come over here, come
separated.
talk this something them Tracy, none of the man them was never your man. It's you a walk and take people them man. And I get delusional about your front good like that. Go Tracy.
Alright, hear me now, Java. Hear me when I go tell you one thing and done. You say even if me take people, man, them always come back.
Okay.
Then Tracy, but I say, none of them not there with you right now. None of them not stick like we Sonny would have say, none of them not stick.
Because guess
nobody
what?
not stay.
Because
what
guess what?
problem?
Because guess
Yeah.
what? I mean him eat and run.
Okay.
I mean him eat and run.
She mean that she do the eat and run, not
I
them.
mean him eat and run, and me I do the eat and run.
Yeah, that she mean.
Yeah, man, no worry about that. Me no come for woman because guess what? Man they fi talk, and them a go come talk, cause them done so them a come. So we
Them
need to
Tracy,
put
my
points.
father come already, come talk. So you come with the fear one them, Tracy. Come.
Yeah, man.
Tell them, Tracy.
Me tell them for come. Me no need to prove nothing, you know, because guess what? You see, at the end of the day, as me done say, if me step to Raga nah go come say nothing, I just come sit down, da-da-dee,
Oh, Tracy,
da-da-da.
Raga now look for your way. Because right now you lose too much weight, so Raga now look for your way.
Then even if me lose weight, me still good, you know, because guess why? At the end of the day, it's in the style. And it's in the quality.
The style and the quality.
Yeah,
Okay, me see what you say, Tracy. Me see what you
That
say.
means, Tracy, if you did so good and the quality did up there, somebody would have must have ball for stay, Tracy. You could have never come over
I
here.
mean, it a run. I mean, left my
nobody
husband
say
up to
every
them
minute
husband
man
that text me
standard.
on TikTok. I
See
mean,
there.
him no know me whereabouts, him no know me number, him no know nothing. I mean,
Okay.
Yeah, you know,
have the
Tracy
it
come
a
and run
run.
from you.
I
Him a
mean,
run, that's why.
Shensia say. I mean, Shensia said the it a run.
So Tracy, your body is busy like the airport?
If you want to say busy, but guess what? I've did 5 years without a man. If I want, I can have multiple right now, and I can do bad by myself. So, any one of them wanna want to say.
Okay.
Well, me I say, Tracy, to all you good, you want somebody feel a ball for stay, want somebody to stay down and left.
Me ball fi stay, me no want stay.
Tap it, I like how you come over here and make complaint from the man them. So tap it.
Alright, Raga, you remember when
Yes,
me
yeah.
tell us that the man
What?
no,
Yeah,
tell us
what?
that two people step to me one time, Raga, when
Right.
me tell you, okay. And me say one same care in care after nothing but
Right.
that's something there.
Yeah,
And the
you
next
did
one now, as me black him must call me, tell me, say me am the people them son. I did say that.
you did say that. You did say
So,
that.
I mean, no one see me.
Why you say Tracy man confused? Why you say she man confused?
Well, at least me still have an option of
With
man.
that two man, they were the last, no, not even the last time. Can you talk about couple man after that? Tracy, go sit down.
All right, Java, let me tell you this. I did not have experience growing up. I bust late.
Oh, okay.
When you want me bust me
Take
teeth.
you from them time, then a man not enough, you enough from the dog back after you. You just Tracy from the dog back after you.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen.
How much time in between that me and him go back?
You know not that Tracy, see, there's somebody else always a come kick on your foot.
I know them and me.
Never. Then Tracy,
All right,
when the
Java,
backside you keep on a
hear
left
what
and
me
a
I
back,
say.
you're confused. You're mad, Tracy. You're mad, girl.
Nope. Nope. I hear
No,
what me I
no,
say to you. I
Tracy.
did not
What
get
am
the
I say?
experience
What am I say,
younger.
Tracy? Is that even when you left them, I choose somebody else come kick with your foot. That's why you left them. Yeah, and that's just. Well, so
I'm not
so
the
makes you respond. So makes you respond.
competitive person. So
Okay,
I
all
easy
right.
to walk away. I don't like
That's right.
competition.
Yes.
When I have confidence in myself, but I
Yeah.
don't need to compete with nobody.
You don't
Yes.
have to compete.
And
You
no, but
don't.
you said that's me not
No,
have
when
what
you're
them.
good. No, Trace, that's it. When you're good like that, you don't need to compete. That's it, baby
No,
girl.
but you don't understand. Some people have one man throughout them lifetime,
Oh,
and
yes.
other people experience different partners. So me and one of them, when me choose to move on, if me have a situation with a man.
Well, yeah, cause you know fight, you know, in the war and drama. And
Yeah, and me not gonna make a man diss me. Me not gonna sit down and take a man liquor and disrespect or something because I got my confidence like that. So if
Yes.
you want some man confuse me, we take that title there right now, but me still got them must come back.
Of course. Tracy, no, must come back because remember I said woman did $1,000 you did get and the woman did have the card. Remember?
Well, guess what? Right now, that's the
Tracy. Me never remember. Me vaguely remember. Something they go suffer through Tracy. You didn't only get $1,000 and the next one get the car.
And the next girl pull out the card and say, and she just come out with the bank a draft 4,000.
Yes, to right it when the man go down that bank machine with the bonnet woman down there. Yeah, okay. And you did only get $1,000 the other one get the card.
Of course.
And Tracy didn't have a baby at the time. Tracy don't look good.
Wow.
No, but guess what? At the end of the day right now, I have not slept or seen that man over 13 years. I mean, I slept with him for over 80. No, my daughter was 14.
And I bet him still a call and a bother you, don't?
If you tell her right now, Raga, and tell me, said there's no way under every man go dead without touch me back.
Jeez,
don't talk. Him have to get by the experience.
Why?
Me bust him for a certain style, pan top it, and him want experience that with me.
You see it,
That's not
Auntie.
me, that's Java talking.
So Tracy, that means so then everybody just want to come one jump and gone and then now come back. Tracy, something not look good, something not right there. So Tracy, and you have to go figure it out.
Me figure it out, and that's why I go my way.
So Java,
That's
you
my
don't
choice.
think there's any truth to Tracy's statement that every man who get her something with them it good and thing and she never had a bad start out yet? It's possible. What you think?
Anybody will never have a bad start out is a liar.
Really?
Don't get me wrong.
Really?
I'm a liar. Or some man when don't know nothing, no cure, you're great. The best chef spoil food. So what Tracy has say?
And no never express it to me. Them always ask for more.
Them no
that means that the food where Tracy cook as a chef always tastes good, Java.
I don't know if Tracy has no chef. I don't know.
No, but just I work with the metaphor. That means isn't it possible that a chef can cook bare good meals?
Listen to me. Me to give my baby father pop down sort out. Him still come back. Because I give him one pop down sort out and I give him a sort out when I tell her never good. No make him run from me. Him still come back.
Raga, that same baby father when she talk about the car at the time. Remember me tell her say no, him always go out there and bun me and him did live together and him come in and no matter how much woman he go sleep without them. Always come hold me down for the with me. I'm asking him why him always do that when him out there do him thing. Him say because me and baby mother are my thing in your for me thing good. Then if it good, me turn to him and say, then if it good to you, where you go there far? That's why I'm left.
Right.
Him never tell me say me have a bad start out can come in and warm me for you and me all lay down and make him take you Raga me thought that pan ya so.
Then Tracy, me get cheated pan already. It no means I no good, me front no good, I make the baby father no come back. I know that baby.
But him tell me say that him want it after I got there because I film yes so him there with you any good. Me no know me says I know my word.
All right. Well, so the points were made on both sides of the matter and so forth. And we have a jury.
And me I go conclude that Tracy front down good like how
well then Tracy, Java, ya woman, and me I tell her the truth, me no need to fess it up to you because I never step to a woman. Love that.
So well, but Java.
You have every right to talk.
Right,
No,
but
me not say you're not talking about me. I say I never step to a woman from the day I'm born.
Hold on. Tracy, you can't not bring the thing in her net. She not talk about no step to woman. So you can't. I would suggest that you don't try, to prevail in the debate by raising a separate issue, because the issue here is not woman a step to woman. She's basically saying that you have been exaggerating and I'm being deluded, and you're telling lie upon the capabilities of your good. That is what she basically saying.
Confident.
Exactly. There's nothing is wrong with confidence. Confidence is sexy. Nothing is wrong with confidence.
Yeah,
But
beat me down for me confidence.
There is a difference between being arrogant and assertive.
Oh.
So I'm gonna ask you one question, Java. If somebody asks you what kind of mother are you, what are you gonna tell somebody?
I am a very good mother. I pride myself on being a mother.
Okay, point taken. I'm done right there.
Some more good mother not out there. It doesn't mean I am the only good mother.
You see the confidence when you just speak off?
I'm talking superlative. Me not gonna do that, Tracy, but you just constantly. But the thing is, Tracy, but that is it. I am a good mother, but guess what? I don't have motherly problems, like a ton of bad mother issue. If you say, oh, me Pitney and me, I say me a bad mother.
But
That's
Java,
what I am saying.
I honestly answer him to the best of my ability, to my experience with my male companion. I did not go aboard and say, Raga, somebody that he asked me the question and I answered to the best that I have gotten experience from my male partners.
All right, hold on.
Just the question Raga asks every time you come and give a story with woman, take for your man and you take a man, woman and all of them mix up there. It's always go back to your front, it's so good, but the man them still go somewhere else. When them married all one you want with a man and
by the way, Java, somebody make a clarification there that I need to state, given what I just said to Tracy. The person made a good point. She said, what Tracy is trying to say is that your concerns about her statements are irrelevant to her because she's talking about what men say and how men feel about her skill and her capabilities. And she's saying she could care less about what a woman thinks about it, because she's basically saying you're unqualified to speak on what she's asserting about herself.
No, I'm not unqualified. I'm talking based on what I hear.
Okay.
Simple.
All right, but the case has been made on both sides of the matter and thing, and I'm sure the people who are listening and thing would have assessed.
I'm still going to look for Tracy Saturday night with a big body and a broad.
Look for me.
I still look like I come sit alongside of you whether you like it or not.
And show her some love as a TamFam.
You blasted lap too. You think you know me yet? You don't know me.
Tracy, let me tell you, Tracy, you see this person attacking to you. Munchi mouth light, don't make Munchi Tracy. Munchi Tracy, you're done. But Munchi are the quieter one. Tracy, you see Java, what I'm about to tell you, I swear upon my mother's name and so she still. You see your Java take you on a while ago? Make Java go out this and go hear somebody and say something bad for you. She cussed them dog rotten. Right?
Java, man.
I saw Java still. Java, she will go out and say, no. I mean, if you cuss her, she a TamFam. Go on and I saw Java still. I ain't not too good with
have a confidence like me. That's all I'm going to
Listen.
My baby father.
Java, you're gone off.
Hello?
Java, you're gone off. Check your
phone. Well on. She's supposed to come. Okay, hello? Yeah, you're back. Okay.
Yes, Tracy, me no need to come over here and come run off my mouth or come talk nothing, because like I said, my baby father has been on, when we did have something before, my baby father has been on here before. And
him come. Him come. And I never
asked him to come now, nothing at all. Never.
Yeah. Him just come in and rinse out of something with them. So that was true. And he was like hilarious too with it.
Yes, Tracy. So,
But anyway.
not wrong.
All right. Well, before we leave, one time, fam.
One time, fam, I'm still a sitting in a Tracy lap Saturday night. I am lucky I have anything I think me I buy it you too.
Yeah.
Brad thick skin.
Okay. No. Wait.
Dog guy tell how me beat him and batter him. You don't get nothing yet. You better go ask Navlet and them.
Yeah. I worry, man. I worry for true Tracy, man. She no hold back, you know. She keep it 100 and thing.
I have fun. I love rock. I love TamFam. I love you guys.
Anytime one big back girl step in at the party, that's me.
What?
Toughy. Me tough and me back big. So look out to me.
Well, Tracy, you notice that she not up on TikTok. She only talk about Munchie at countdown.
Oh, that's why. Only one Munchie there.
No, she don't even have a TikTok account.
Oh, she ride off a Munchie back.
Well, yes. I wouldn't put it that way. I be careful. Okay.
To admit it.
Yeah, but me feel right, partner. I back can hold me. As big as me,
all right. Big up on yourself, man. Tracy, one time fam. Tracy, one time fam.
One time fam.
Java, Tracy. One time fam.
One time fam, never two.
All right. Munche, one time fam.
One time fam. Tracy, it's all love, okay, darling?
Love you guys. See you guys Saturday. You guys
one time
excited more.
Kill the people.
See, yeah, man.
I come 8:30 like on the sound out there from 8:30.
Well.
No, man, me look innocent, but guess what?
No, Tracy, no, come 8:30. Come look later here, because the place may not
come
open.
early, come get me beaten before it
No, the place may not open at 8:30.
No, want the people when me beat out the backside.
I'm saying me come get me beaten first.
No, me say the party I got nice Saturday, you know. It I got nice. Because me I make sure so me introduce people to so people see who is who. Listen to me. Listen me. Okay. All right.
You go live to Raga, you go live.
I don't know about that. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, you have people them not support you, but people pay if you come an event and then them go get it. You know, so I'm really. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. You know.
It's not fair.
Yeah.
I like Tracy will come with her friend and spend her good money. No, but not for right on your back, Tracy.
Yeah. Look on Chumpy. Chumpy come and pay for him 4 VIP. I say, Chumpy, you pay for 4 VIP. Chumpy say, I'm coming. Chumpy say, I bring 3 woman Raga. I want me to you.
That's nice.
Like everybody in that chat said the amount of woman with Chumpy.
Him need one more. Can need one on each side, one at front and one at back.
Oh, with the back side, and one on the top. One on the top. Where you get the top?
Listen me. Yeah.
Ball it round can take one on top.
Yes, Chumpy. Yeah, for Chumpy, you look like you have to pay for somebody else and come fully surrounded by woman. Yeah.
Woman bodyguard.
Yeah. Watch out. Well, on Tracy and Java, Masha good as I ask me, Raga, Kuka no call you yet?
Nope. Kuka in the garden.
Hiding.
What Marcia need to do after my party and I can ask my question.
She had the next one, though. Take her on.
Come at the party, come see what I'm about to cook and fast.
Well,
I ask my question, come at party and you will see what.
Well, I say you come for Marcia too. Marcia good as too. You come for she too.
Over here ask. What they need to come support the party. That them do. If you don't want to know what happened at the party, come to the party.
Come to the party, yeah.
All right, guys.
All right, blessings, man. Cool. Cool. Yeah, man, blessings. Good night. Cool.
Bye.
All right, one time, fam. Yeah. Listen to me, I like that, you know. The thing can get sassy and it's fabulous. What's the name of the event on Eventbrite? It's called Ragabash. 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 That's the name of the event, and make sure you put in New York too in the other section there. Okay? All right? Ragabash. And you can buy a ticket online. All right? All who are watch right now, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. All I want who are watch right now, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Siobhan Golding, big up yourself, Messiah. All right, all who I watch right now, if you not follow me right now, or else you're going to get Bigfoot. I'm going to go St. Thomas and give you Bigfoot. Don't play with me. Right? If you not follow me right now, follow me. See it there, yeah, good. Let me see one who follow me. Jason, Flats, Jerry, Milton, Westfine, Carlos. Jerry Dan, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, Hope Wallace, Gart Mac, Please D, Stereo. All right, so all who are watching, if you not follow me right now, see? Joni. All right, my son, you know, bless upon yourself. Yeah, people, what just transpired, a regular TamFam thing that from way back when, you know? We keep it 100 and thing and all a spirited debate, you know? But me just want, you know, certain boundaries maintained, and those boundaries were maintained just now. Remember the second motto over here, a thick skin and broad back, I do it. A thick skin and broad back, I do it. That is the second motto for TamFam. And that has been the case for decades. All right? That has been the case for decades, right? So, everybody can get beaten. Me get beaten all the while. All the while me get beaten too, and sometimes I just take my beating and sometimes I answer back. You understand? So, if you get beaten, you defend it. I love how Tracy step up and defend it. Yeah. Because you have some people, you know, they get the beating, you know. And all of a sudden, them just get moralistic. And I can't believe it. Yeah, man. Enough people get beaten and run with it, you know. Yeah, man. Enough people get beaten and leg from you, man. When I see them again, when I hear from when I hear from them again, I get the whoppings. You see, all right. So me ragga all up your hand. I was sham the funny. So me love how Tracy say, you come for me, me answer you. And Tracy come. Me love how she stand up and defend her thing, because I've seen people get intimidated by Java, you know. Right? That all Java for back off, God, the way she get, yeah? You see people quail up when Java roll out, you know. Tracy turn up, man. She turn up and defend her thing, you know. You know. Sham. Me nah look on you, you know, Sham sweetness. Right? Me nah look on you, Sham sweet. Me nah mix you and come mix me up, you know. Oh. Yeah. See, so we just want to say enough respect for that spirited debate just now, and you see it end up, you know, family same way, and people cool and thing, you see. Yeah, but them ANC woman, them, you know, they ain't no joke. ANC woman, them a warrior, them, you know, you see it? A warrior, them, hold on there. Let me see something, you know. A warrior, them, man, them ANC woman, them, man, you have to be careful with them, you know. See? Well, alien this.
Nah, no clothes, Raga.
Alien too cute. Why go and good as slim as in the place, you know. Alien slim as cute. What you say?
Tracy with the never wrong punani. Tracy big up your punani. Proud of your punani. Everything about your punani, Tracy. Them girl them love coming and drive by. I want to them. Why one of them not come? Why them love drive by?
What you mean come? They not come, them come. No, them come a while ago.
Drive by.
No, man, no. No, but that was a drive by a while ago, Alien. Them come up and face the music.
Two of them pampu little Tracy. Why one of them never just tap a Tracy?
Oh, you mean one alone? No, but remember, say Java don't have a TikTok account.
Me no know that.
Me just tell you, Java don't have a TikTok account, so that's why she just asked to talk, man, Munchie account.
Tracy, big up your never wrong punani. Your punani, you must know what your punani can do from what your punani can do. Big up your
So well on. You believe Tracy says she do have a never wrong punani?
Me believe Tracy because my punani a vacuum punani.
No,
Listen it. I need to go and blend that time. Every girl have to know them punani.
Yeah.
And Tracy know know fear punani and
Yeah.
me know my punani.
And you know
Yes.
your punani. And you
Big
have the
up your
vacuum
punani.
punani. Oh, you mean?
Vacuum punani.
Oh, you mean?
Yes.
Don't.
Yes. Them too outside and man ever drive by.
Wait, so what you say? What you think? Them shouldn't come for Tracy, so?
They shouldn't come for the girl. A bad man. May I tell you, say, you see the unscrew, they really
The
bad
answer
man.
screw. No, but you know think say do you think say what them must say a whole heap of people did that think that have Tracy too? You think so?
Me no know why no people mind Ragashanti,
Right.
but Tracy Punani and she must know what fear Punani can do. Fear Punani that front row, fear Punani get
Hold on, wait 1 second. Me there talk to you, me kind of hear Babs in the background, I make nice, me not like that. When me yo, when me talk to Babs, when me talk to Ilya, me no want you when me say yeah, punani what? Hey, Babs, mind what you talk about? I might have to come over there, come drape, you know. What kind of year punani? Where you do, Babs?
Raga, I'm a good birthday, you know. 69, you know.
What? Yeah, you're 69 now?
Yeah.
Today your birthday, dog.
I'm
And you're 6. No, yes, hey, Babs, you know when you hear you talk about nothing of that, you're not going to start out Elaine punani for your birthday, you know.
What?
You're not going to start. Babs, you don't play. Babs, you don't play with me now. What you do? What you do? A feature, I want to come feature, take a raga punani from me. Babsy, now that you're 69, you know say,
yeah.
Babsy, now that you're 69, you have to go do 69 tonight to that woman. Eh? So Babsy, you have to do 69 tonight to that woman.
On the 17th of September.
No, but may I ask you something? Babsy, you have to do 6.
Now do 69.
We do.
With my punani. Listen
You love her, Babsy? You love her? How much you love her? How much you love her? You love her little stiff breast them down.
The breast them.
You what?
All the stiff breast them. Just a feel them so.
Yeah,
back off.
You love alien stiff breast them down.
What? The little breast them stiff.
So well on, if alien give her stiff breast them, what you da do with them, Babsy?
May I suck them and then go in at the punani.
Okay.
A big meat tonight.
And big meat you da put in a punani down.
1 9-inch.
A 9-inch. Okay, all right then, sin. So Babsy, when you suck her breast them, you da suck it soft or hard?
No, me just polish them because baby never suck them.
Okay.
So me just polish the breast them.
But
Babsy,
Babsy, Babsy, you don't sound like you can manage Elaine, man. You couldn't manage Elaine. You couldn't manage her.
Elaine a good girl, man. Watch her. Her foot me a hold her now, you know.
Oh.
But some no foot me a no. Up by the part.
Oh, she say you never put your hand near her front, don't?
Yeah.
Oh, so you only can hold her foot bottom down?
No, the foot bottom. He said the cock can go when ready.
No, she never said that. Elaine never tell you that.
Elaine.
Yeah.
Watch him. Raga just go on. Raga. And she make me have you on the show. How long she a wait, you know?
Yeah. So Babsy, what you gonna do for hold on, Babsy, what you gonna do for Elaine, you know? Well, you take care of her, you gonna mind her, you have to give her money and them something.
Me can't give her everything.
Yeah.
Possible.
What you gonna buy for her? What you gonna buy for her?
Me not buy her no. Me I buy her house.
You gonna buy her house? Okay, that is nice, Babsy. That is good. You gonna buy flowers for her and take her.
Then we live a family life.
A family life, very nice. You can buy flowers for her and take her out on a date?
Me not date her. Because you see date a foolishness. Me just want to come with sex. And if sex good.
Yeah. All right, Babsy,
We
do
move
me a
on.
favor right now because we need it for
Yeah,
proof. So
yeah.
you love
Because I'm
it.
moving
Well,
already now.
Babsy, listen to Raga now. Me want you proof
Yeah.
so you love Elaine right now. And the way you prove
I
so
love her.
Babsy, listen now, man. Babsy, listen now. So me want you just
Yeah.
me want you kiss her foot and suck her foot right now. Do it right now.
No, me
Eh?
not suck her foot.
No, well, kiss
I
her foot.
breast food herself.
No, kiss her foot and show we say you love.
No,
Kiss her.
I breast.
No, just kiss her foot, no? Kiss her foot.
Raga, me say I breast food herself.
No.
The little teeth them.
People, them have one
God,
saying,
them stand up, you know.
people,
Raga,
them have one, Babsy. People, them have one saying at Jamaica, Tam drunk, but Tam no food, you know. No cure me, I tell Babsy kiss your foot back. No foot, now kiss yourself, man. Raga, tap it foot. A breast with thing there,
Yeah, the breast. You hear?
Listen, I mix up and Blenda time.
Babsy now make Raga dry out in them could have drunk look more. Babsy now make Raga dry.
You think Babsy na the foolishness, you know, long you want go up every minute and get on me dry him down back. Sit down, you have to talk to Raga tonight.
Yeah, no.
Me have on one of them where you call them now the gym top like and Babsy out for tear it off.
Jesus, Babsy want the little pinted stiff nipple them down. All right, Babsy, big up yourself, yeah.
No, sir. So my girl with the never rang pum pum, just go and big up yourself. Yeah, no people got jealous over you. You know what your pum pum. You know what your pum pum can do. So just big up your pum pum. You can't big up nobody else pum pum, but your pum pum.
All right. So Elaine, when we do a ragabash, you know, we're going to call you and make you just make you heal up the people them inside, yeah? Elaine?
No problem, love.
All right, we're going to call you and make you heal up the people. All right, Babsy, big up yourself, yeah? Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Raga, have a wonderful night.
Blessings, man, cool.
From big up on yourself.
Oh, you not give me nothing.
Hey, all me I try to draw out Babsy, you know. Babsy well drunk, you know, but all me I try to draw out the dog, you know, the dog nah take a bait, you know. Tam drunk, but Tam no fool. Okay. Tam drunk, but Tam no fool. Babsy nah take a draw out, you know. No care Babsy, for sure, some love Elaine. No foot nah kiss at the breast them want. Raga no foot nah kiss at the breast them want. At the breast them want. A man just clear and sure about where him want. Then no foolishness and thing. A bare breast premiums Babsy depon. You know, Babsy nah deal with no kiss no foot thing and whatever. You understand? Don't think next chemical. The man no want no foot round here. People birthday party today when Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 3 days from now. I'm a birthday party, people. It named Ragabash at the Amazon in Queens. Ragabash. It's a grown and sexy affair. Big people, something nice, clean music, but festive and nice and whatever. You see it? Big people, something nice, clean, jiggy, festive music and thing and whatever. I want to come out and come enjoy and sell people. Come on my party, come support the thing. You understand? And make we have a wonderful time up in the place and thing. See? This Saturday at the Amazon in Queens, right? Come party with me. I'm a birthday party. My birthday gone from the 6th of September, but come party with me, all right? Amazura in Queens this Saturday. And again, if you want to buy tickets, you can buy tickets. You can get tickets directly from me if you send me a text and I'll give you the number. And tickets are also available in some locations across New York City. And tickets are also online. You know? Fiona, you missed the ray a while ago. Oh, by the way, everybody, remember, all the shows I do on TikTok, I post them, the full shows on my YouTube channel. And the YouTube channel is called what? TamFam TV. My YouTube channel is called TamFam TV. And all the full shows that I do, they're over there on YouTube at TamFam TV. In fact, I want all of you to just jump over there right now real quick and just subscribe. Remember, subscribe over YouTube is equivalent to follow over here, so you don't have to do it. But just subscribe over there so that you can get and Jamaica election gone, ring the bell. No, click the bell over there because I saw you get notification when name the go on over there, okay? But it's called TamFam TV. So go over YouTube and just put in TamFam TV and then just subscribe to that channel. All my shows are over there. Not only all the shows I do on TikTok over. So this full show is going to be over there. Because remember, over here, TikTok not really do that full show hours long something there. You can only post an hour over here and nobody watch things over here for an hour. But they do on YouTube. It's a whole different ecosystem, okay? So the full shows are over YouTube at TamFam TV. Not only my TikTok shows, but shows from Jamaica years. The Ragashanti Live, from New Start 93 FM, from Nationwide 90 FM, from Hot 102. Those shows are over there. Hundreds and hundreds of radio shows. And also hundreds of video shows like these that I did on YouTube, but no phone never know somebody do over there, I do them. All right? They're all over there again. And you go over to YouTube, put in TamFam TV, and just subscribe. And you can watch anything over there. Okay? All right. So make sure you do that. And again, I'm asking you, just jump over there right now real quickly and just subscribe to the channel over there, YouTube, TamFam TV. So if you want somebody to watch about that show, you will tell them over there. So go over YouTube and go to TamFam TV and you'll be able to watch about this show in its entirety. Today is Wednesday, so this show will be up Friday morning. Right? All right. But all of the show them I'm going to do over here, them over YouTube. Okay? And just take a second, go over YouTube now, put in TamFam TV, TamFam space TV. You will see it. The blue and black TamFam with the tambourine. And just subscribe to that channel right now, okay? You see it. Blessings, man. Okay, what you you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do a brief sub live, you know. So, but let me see how I go on here so first.
Oh, Rag, I didn't know you're gonna add me, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, I didn't realize you was gonna add me. In that long request?
No, what do you
not
mean?
King Kush. King Kush is my man's name, but I have to put his name in front of my name because I'm always in the mix up on TikTok. And in the like how the man name, I can set one for take a man girl. That's how it go?
Yeah, take
his name in front of my name, yeah.
Oh, so that ease off the man them, yeah?
Yeah, ease them off enough.
From a pressure.
A man is in this box, they think, because then say King Kush first.
Yeah.
And then say Queen after, so if it's a man in the box.
Okay. Well, it would appear that it's a successful deterrent, you know, keep off a careless man them from bother you doing. Yeah, you know.
But what pressure.
Yeah.
In a real sense of things, yeah. See, yesterday,
yeah,
the Sweet Bless? And then today you have Tracy Bless. How come everyone with a blessed name pan up? They want to take a girl, man.
Oh, yeah, the one them with the blessed name, and them want to take
a girl, man.
Wait, did you get that from Tracy Bless just now?
Yeah, and Sweetie Bless when she got the woman husband yesterday.
Sweet Bless?
Yeah, Sweet Bless. She met the Ital juice.
She met the what?
Yeah, the Ital juice.
The Ital juice. Let me see if people can remind me about yesterday.
Mm.
Oh, the one who said she make up the juice, them and thing, blend up the juice, them.
Yeah.
Well, but be careful of that, you know, because a lot Jamaica. Remember, you know, Jamaica is actually a very religious country, you know, God-fearing country.
Yeah,
so the word blessed, though, you know, It's very, 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 very common in names on social
It
media.
can't be common. Like, they have put enchanting, like the Vibes Cartel song.
Like the what?
The Vibes Cartel song. They have put enchanting.
Enchanting, you know.
Yeah.
Well, but just I tell you what it is. You know, a lot of people have blessing of them name. It's very, very common, right?
But me not lie, Raga. You see, sometimes I understand what Tracy is saying, you know, with the man them, and she said she have to leave them. Cause me not like if I leave like 4 of them so far. You understand? Because them just get too obsessed and start stalk me.
Yeah.
They want to run me down. Right now, you see it? My name. Can't even put my name on TikTok. Yes.
Oh, okay, because the stalker them are gonna come out though.
That me say.
Seeing.
It's terrible.
Well, you have to do for ease them off so that them not bother if you get the little peace of mind and thing. But you are say you're good like that and thing. A 4 man you have to left and thing because them just.
Yeah, for run away.
Oh.
And start me not like one time I think it not happened. Well, me give birth to my children them.
Yeah.
And you know, like them time I was young and I wanted to go out partying about 2 or 3 months later, right? And I said it's still early days, but like I want to still go party.
But you didn't want you have baby and you want to go party 2 or 3 months later.
Yeah, so like it wasn't just like, you know, it's just me want to just go out, yeah? Me just have a feeling for go out.
Right.
So the man ring my mother and the girl go out and all them something there.
Him ring your mother and say what?
I went out to a party. My mom said I went out to a party. So she come and look after the kids and him come to the party now.
Him come to the party and what?
Him follow me to the party and him just stand up there and watch.
Okay. So you didn't want to go by yourself? You didn't want to go by yourself? I
went with my friend. So my friend just have her twin, because we both have twins, right? Me and my good friend.
Right.
Like she have her twin, me have my twin, are 6 weeks apart.
Okay. And you
so
never...
we decide both to go and venture out. And then after her mother have her twin them, because her baby father weren't around. And
right. So you felt a little bit weird, say your baby father feel like he must have come watch you and thing. You never really like that, right?
No, like until I said when we come at the party, a man will hide in a bush and watch me.
Was he Jamaican?
Yeah.
Was he from the country or from Kingston?
Well, it's like he's English Jamaican.
English Jamaican, because you know a lot of Jamaicans have this kind of holy grail belief that when woman with young baby nothing out a road at night time.
Yeah, that me understand. And they say
it's actually not. They say it's not good for the baby. I'm just telling you what Jamaicans believe.
The thing, I wasn't drinking or nothing like that.
Right,
you understand?
Right.
Because I drink little pop drink and stuff.
They say woman with young baby nothing go out at night time. Oh, them just said no. It's supposedly not good for the baby.
Like
just tell you.
Oh man, me understand.
Yeah, we're not talking about drinking or whatever. And then them just I say it's just not.
The man was hiding in bushes though, Raga. I couldn't understand it at all.
Yeah, when you have some man watch out the thing though, you know?
Yeah, I'm telling you, so my pum pum gets stuck.
Your pum pum gets stuck. So the man them when you did there with them stuck your pum pum like, whoa, done.
All the time. All the time.
That's probably because it did good like that.
What? I say if the man not good, it would just spit it back out. You see, and I like
what?
it.
If what?
It will spit it back out.
If what?
If the man not good, it will pit it back out.
What the pum pum will spit it back out?
Yeah.
So big up your man now then, because it sound like that one you go on good you know and thing, and it's a keeping that one you don't. All right then, congratulations and big up yourself with your gentleman right you know. Okay.
You're trying to understand the accent, right, Raga? Me from London.
No, man, we'll pick up that long time. We'll pick up long time. We'll pick up. So what you think?
wanted to come to a party, but I needed a flight or hotel. Me need to get visa. Me say what for the 1 week? Me say what is? Like me want to really come to the party. Me know that me can't dance. We can do a 1 to like a 2-step. Yeah.
No man. A lot of people come to party then can't dance and just come rock a party.
Me want to just let loose. You understand me? When you call it, the woman said she Oreo. When they call it this side, a bounty. Yeah.
What them call it that side of what?
Bounty.
Bounty.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that is interesting.
So that's it. Me can't dance, me just stiff. Tiff. Yeah.
No, Craigton fly over. One of my TamFam them him fly over just for the party. Yeah, man, and back in the day, we had a bunch of people, Latoya and a bunch of other people who fly over from
I'm here
London
to New
just
York
for the...
now for the shopping and thing.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
When Europeans come to New York, like we in New York, we're like, yo, New York is expensive. But for Uno, Europe and England is just so expensive that when Europeans come here, they go on a shopping spree and they're like, you don't understand. These things are so much more cheaper here than they are in Europe and things.
Yeah, so you just
And
come
then,
with the hand luggage and then you just come out with a big case and leave, yeah?
Yeah. And then apparently you guys get things over here that you don't get over there too. But it's the same thing. We get things in Europe that we don't get here also. So, you know,
Europe rubbish, man. No, I'm nothing kind of Europe. More forgot China. Say China now. Boy.
No, man. China trend right now, man. With quality things too. Yeah.
And the Valentino and something there. Yeah.
All right.
I pray.
All right. Now, say I earn my respect for the earlings here. Big up yourself here, you gentleman.
I big up your Earth Strong when it come, man. I tell you.
No, my Earth Strong was September 6th. The party is Saturday.
Oh, well, big up yourself then, Rago.
All right, then. Give thanks.
Yeah, man. One more year upon them.
Yes,
yeah,
man. Yeah, man. Give thanks.
Man.
Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah, all right. Ersker. Remember that woman that called in the Mixup and talk about the man who give her a big money and thing and whatever, and then thief back the money, and she said, yeah, him did one Ersker. Sunday Solid, big up yourself, you know. Virgo to the world. I what them hear about Sunday, me see your party did turn up, man. You understand who is who of Jamaica's royalty was there and thing, you know, Sunday Solid, your thing up there. Them for no door, mad thing. Bless up yourself, man. You see it. Yeah, man, you know I go Sunday with the juggle and thing. Sunday, my birthday party at this Saturday, you know, over Amazon and thing, you see it. So, my day I make the people them know and thing, and you don't know the TamFamers them ever did it. So, we give thanks. You know, Virgo Nation I represent. Ubex. People. You know, say it look like me if I go do that sub live tomorrow evening, you hear? Yeah. We're going to do that sub live tomorrow evening and then prepare for it. You know, we do the sub live tomorrow evening, you know? All right? We're going to do that sub live tomorrow evening. How much for the entrance? $45 or $90 or $150? Okay? Yeah, because I now feel the sub live right now. I just, you know, I look a mellow mood right, you know, so I go just easy and thing and balance out and things, see? So let me see if I have to take a couple more calls and to me, I have some stuff to do, you know. I have some, yes, Sunday Solid, Ultra VIP 150, you know, VIP 90 and Standard is 45. Kimberly is who are come over. Nobody now come over. I live alone and me it's me alone there, right? Right? I'm in a honey and desperate. Love me, Kimberly, love me. You understand? I want to come fast in my business, don't it? I want to ask Alicia, she ever want to come fast up in my business and thing, you know? Yeah, me there, me alone there. You understand? Love me, man. As if you ever hear anything. You know what I mean? Lips are sealed, because remember, you know, Raga never do nothing yet. Never. Nobody more innocent than me. Yeah, me I don't do nothing, man. You wanna go on, man. Yeah. Wanna go on. You say Raga angel in this. That me I telling you, yeah? Alright. Islington Finest. Islington Finest say him a beg a VIP. Him not beg a regular ticket, you know, him a beg a VIP. Greetings. Hello? You dead, you know, we are here, you know, so just say something and done. No man, and them deliberately I make noise in iPhone. And now I say nothing like that. I'm not say fool around. All right. All right, people. I go easy, you know. All right, now Morris here. See? No, you know, some way name them system and I have to load back them song there. Because for me get a new computer system. Yeah, I remember although, you know, you can what this thing in there? Yeah. Yeah, man, I have to load back them song there, yeah? I got to load back those songs, okay? So now will give me a look at time. Yeah, okay, yeah, because them not in there, yeah. I have to go load them back. Oh, hold on. It's probably over here, so, you know. Since we don't do the sub live, probably I can just do that phone number before I leave, though. Where them. Let me see them in here. So, come over here. So, put it here. So, can't even see where I look onto right. Now, see me find it and just. Okay. There is so. Alright, come out of that. Come over here, so. Oh, it look like me never load it back in the from a new computer, you know. My bad. Let me see if it in. Nope. Alright, then tonight I have to go look for it somewhere. Bam 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 bam. All right, people. Remember when you got back them song there and, you know, I reload them, you know, because when I keep on the ask for Punsi. So at least. No, man, my song, they want to really fit. Starboy, my song, they want to really fit, you know. There's some personal stuff, you know. So like, I play them for my show, you know. So I know that's something there, you know. I don't know. I know. Sing a DJ and whatever, you know. Can't even hold a note good to save my life. It's all good, all right? All right? Well, Tracy, you know, Ilian say, big up, you never wrong, Jojo, okay? So large up yourself, you know. Slush, the sub live, I could do the sub live tomorrow, no worse like how we not do it on Friday. Like tomorrow night is a better day for do it, okay? Because Friday, the day before Ragabash, I'm not going to do it, you know, I'm going busy. All right? So, Daniel, I'm going to do it tomorrow. All right? We don't plan to do it tonight, but honestly, I don't feel it right now, you know? I don't know, I'm going to force things. That's what I say. Well, some things more force, you know? Force a little bit, you know? Force the thing a little bit. But in general, we're not force around here. You understand what I say? All right? So people bless upon yourself, man. Tomorrow is another day. Dr. Mark, where I go and pretty naughty, large up yourself, you know. Daniel, brace, man. I'll give you out order tomorrow, all right? I'll give you the out order sub live tomorrow, okay? So Miss Casey, you look like you're tired. Yeah, me look like me want look a rest, though. Yeah, look like me need look a beard. But I'm saying at Jamaica, you need some beard and care. Whenever you're Jamaican, use that term there. One, galang, you know, so you need beard and care. Yeah, baby girl J, bad so. Big up yourself, you know, all right? Love and blessings, man, okay? All right. So, sir, you know the thing set down. New York Mystic, large up, CBS, big up yourself. Joni, one pop raga, of course. Yeah. Put some respect on my name and use up my name. One pop raga. Yeah. Well, the cooker watch is still on. We have a couple more days. The cooker watch is still on. And people make some preparation for those of you who haven't done so yet. Make some adjustment and come out and support my party now. All right, please. Okay. It would be nice if I can do it. All right. King Kush, large up. Seeing blessings, man. All right. Blessings one, Papa. Me give you the name. No. No. Me give myself the name years and years and years ago. Here is me give myself the name. Right? One pop. Right? I mean give myself that name there from long time ago. Right? Islington Finest, big up yourself. Sandy Solid, big up, you know, ratings and max, you know. Christina Brown Sugar say, I'll know our suitcase empty. Big up all of the people them who want to not travel on a pack all 2-3 weeks, a month before the travel and thing. Yeah, me know some out there. Out there. I have some people that travel, you know, them all pack and fully pack, you know, and then unpack and pack again, you know. Yo, some people weird, you know. Dentist Steph say, yeah, me that. You see that Stephanie Chung say, yes, Stephanie, big up yourself, you know, because you lock your tickets them already, you know. You see it. Now me? When me a pack, man, when me a go travel for 2 weeks and a month and whatever, hours before me I leave for airport, me still at, me just start pack. He run me and say 1 hour before the flight, him a pack. And me fi tell you, man, yeah. All right. So people bless upon yourself, sleep good in the night and whatever, and soon in our morrows, all right? And forward at the party Saturday, line up on for line up and come out, man, and come enjoy on yourself, man, okay? I think I go jiggy, and I think I go festive, I think I go nice, don't? All right, bless upon yourself, man, cool. Wait there. People, when see say Star Boy, I set me up, though. People, when see say I set Star Boy, I set me up. You see what him say? Baby lips. Good night. See you in the morning. You know, see, you see, I said Star Boy, I set me up. You know, see, I said him, I set me up. Well, him say, see you in the morning. Him never say, see you later tonight. Well, yeah. And you see, baby lips, I just sit on, you know, okay, I surely see you. Yeah. When him say morning, so it's not in the night, you know. So if him just say see you later tonight, no, you know a problem. But him say see you in the morning, then yeah. But people wanna keep an eye on that for me. Watch out for me, you know, look out for me, you know, because something no balance out right there, so you know. Something this right there, but why in the darkness, man? What chance, man, will come to light? You understand? A clown them one clown bad man, you know. Clown them one clown out gangster, you know. Afro-Latino say is a co-worker. Afro-Latino, is that a guess or is something that you know? Yeah, Dr. Mark, jump on the case for me, here. Jump on the case for me. Oh, by the way, people, if your profile, there are people who me seeing at the chat or people who whatever. Let me tell you something now. If your profile don't have your picture there, or you know have nothing upon your profile, if it said you make some post so I can say, oh, are you that? And you right to me certain way, I'm not gonna respond. Right? So for someone who are right to me, and you're being courteous and whatever, this and that, but me don't know who you be, and you kind of reason with me in a familiar way and whatever, me not respond to you, and someone like, why you not responding? Me see you respond to other people and whatever, this and that. I don't know who you are. It's social media. People have all kind of, put up all kind of things where it's, I know them or whatever. You understand what I say? So, you know, there are a bunch of you know, who, in different ways, you know, reach out and with attempts to engage me in some form of dialogue and I don't respond. Because when I have a picture, someone who never make a post yet, or when me look upon a post them, a bare abstract post, nothing to indicate who or what you are or whatever, me not responding. When I respond to them, something there says nothing personal here. I just don't know who you are, you know? And you may know who you are and you think you're harmless. I don't know who you are, right? I remember what I do is I interact with, you know, hundreds, thousands of people and whatever. So, you know, you might be a good person, but trust me, there's a lot of, unfortunately, some weird, crazy people out there. And yeah, people out there with all kinds of agenda that I care not to be a part of, okay? So, I don't know who you are. I mean, I would have steal a bashment. I the steal a bashment. Let me see if I steal it. Oh, I am see you, man. I'm a general, man. Steal, let me see you. Big up yourself, you know. All right? One steely bashman. Oh, you mean? All right? Large up yourself, Steely. People, I'm gonna follow Steely right now. All I wanna follow Steely bashman. Seem that it needs no introduction, but if you think, say whatever, just follow what Raga say, right? Steely bashman. See the name, the Steelie Bashman. Of course, this man is an icon in the Jamaican entertainment fraternity and whatever, right? And when we say icon, we're not talk idiot people who run in and take on the title of icon. We're not talk people who give themselves the name icon. We talk icon where that title was bestowed on them by those who are official in the circle and thing, and the veteran in the thing. They never asked for it. They got it by their accomplishments and who they are, and you know, them long-standing status, you know, the thing. And Steely Bashment is one of those people. You know the thing said. So everybody wanna follow Steely Bashment right now and thing, right? So all I wanna from my generation, I don't know Steely, right? Dr. Mark saying birthday party, them always shell off back in the days, Brooklyn style. Him still keeping birthday party, man. So when I go out and I don't know, so him say memories, right? I still say memories. So I leave you now, the numbers gone down, 1,000 I don't know the day, but all who there, want to follow stealing. What Bull says, Steely Bashman, Steely, we're from Club Marquee, Worcester. Juice Media, you don't know you're a veteran in other things, so you don't know Steely too. But everybody wanna follow Steely Bashman. Follow him. All right? And anytime you see him over and him a play and thing, you don't know. Go listen to him, man, because them man they have the music. You know, the music running at them bloodstream and at them DNA, you know. When the man there plays an organic manifestation of the music, you know. Yeah, and a man a pick tune, the tune come out, the tune evolve out and thing, him feel the thing, you know. And when you watch Star Wars and them say, no, nobody go over this, you know, do you have the force? Is the force with you? You have to have the force, you know. You understand? And the force is like this kind of cerebral, supernatural type of thing and whatever, you know. It's a next level type of thing. I steal it that. You understand? All right, big up yourself, man, stealing. Everita Billing says, I do TikTok because of you, Raga. That's why I don't post anything on TikTok. Everita, big up yourself. Me know you. So, me know you. And big up the people them too, who come rock every year, you know. You have people come Raga bash, Raga, me not go party, you know. I mean, I'm a church or no party in my scene, you know, just your thing make me come. Are people who hide, who in the church and hide and say, no, I come and support you. Someone has enough respect to them people too, you know. And big respect to the people who say, boy, when I come over TikTok just because I'm over here, you know. And thing. Rick said, Raga, you must proud of Ricky Platting. I'm more than proud, man. I see the man thing gone into the stratosphere right, you know. And Ricky Platinum, big up yourself, man, all right? All right, blessings and respect, people. Baby lips, large up yourself, you know. Steely Bashman, so juice me that, Juice me, got the boss, Steely, so linkages. All right, people, take care of yourself, and I'm Morris.